That was a little weird. That was a little weird. Not sure what happened. I can't lie to you guys, chat. Yo, yo.
What up, Papa?
I don't know what happened. I think my power, like, I don't know my power, my PC, it just fucking just crashed. A little weird. We're back out. We're back on stream. Pray for dawn. I know. What was that? What was the point of that, man? Like, really? Like, did it even make a difference? Wait, how come I can't mute you guys? Am I the host? Oh no, I am the host. Oh, there you
That was
Hey,
funny.
yo.
go. Yo.
Back. The OGs came back.
Yeah, the OGs came back. How many viewers do you have there?
Like 700,
No.
750.
Really? They had more.
When I came, it was 750. I was here for like 5 minutes, so maybe 800. GJ made a top work.
Well, anyway, chat, where was I? It's like, they didn't want me to give a sauce. We had 900, yeah, we had almost 1,000, I think. I'm like, there's no way we had less. That's alright.
125.
They'll come back.
1K. Damn.
They come
They're all
back.
coming back.
They come back. They come back. They come back. I don't think we would have had peak today, though. I think if we had peak, we would have had like 1.3 at this point. Wait, 1K at 8? You know what? Maybe we would have had like probably like at 8. Maybe on pace to have like 1.5, 1.6 probably then. Damn. Whatever. I was shooting for an extra third minutes today just to make up for it, chat. Where's Half Day Wix? Is that his new name? Half Day Wix?
Half day.
Half Day Wix. I'm gonna IG post.
Marcos, you've been wearing that robe every day. I'm jealous. I need one.
Right now, it's becoming my favorite. Comfy.
Yeah, anyways, how many people we have right now going? 600? Alright, I was trying to say, yeah, so basically, you had these two rejections here on gold here, right? At the top of the range here, respecting this resistance. Discount closed bullish, respecting. Discount closed bullish, respecting. I wouldn't be surprised if this count starts to reject here and starts to flip bearish. And then if you get, and then that should take gold down to retest the lows probably, which is gonna be down at like 1846, right? And then we'll take sells maybe below there, but personally I would prefer below 1846. Let's see, we might get sells below here instead though. Let's see. It's definitely be smaller stops if we do. 30 is respecting resistance though. So that's good. It's very good. Yeah, sorry chat. Let me put in trades called breakdowns on the last stream. want sushi, man. Well, Biggs, my fault. You came at the odd time.
No, I was honestly chilling in the Zoom and then it disconnected and I was like just confused as to what happened. So I like turned my cam on and I forgot I couldn't unmute myself. So I was just listening to Marcos do a ASMR.
Welcome.
Yeah, he kept us entertained in the Zoom call.
What do you do?
Well, ASMR.
Messy.
ASMR. Bro, I can't believe Luna and that Terra. Wow. That's crazy.
Why can't? Is there a way for it to show like why my stream crashed? Because I don't know why it crashed. I don't. Everything went out though. All my lights went out. Everything went out for a second. So I guess it wasn't. It might have been low key. I don't think it's that because that never happened to me. But it might be the. What's that little thing called? Where it connects all your power cables.
Your fuse. Or.
No, what's it called? It's called something else. In my room though, it's like a little plug-in for my wall. My outlets.
Yeah, like your breaker or like the surge protector, John.
It's alright. I'm just waiting for a closure below the range. Socket.
Right, your breaker probably like flipped or whatever.
No, that's just the power outlet, I guess, the extender thing, the power strip. Yeah, power strip. I don't know. I don't think it's I don't think it's the protector. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, like that, like the strip where you plug all your things into.
Yeah. That thing.
Yeah, surge protector.
I might gotta get a better one. Is it that though? It can't be that, right? Because that doesn't really change. Like,
Damn, DJ flipped and drove.
oh, we need if you get a closure below 160.097 on a 3rd-minute candle, it's gonna be a very nice wick fill. Yo, wow, chat, look at this. It's like we opened up, didn't have a top wick, you came back down, and then you flipped all the way back down, broke the lows after a top wick. What a coincidence, right? It's the power of top wicks. It's insane. Yeah, this is clean traffic. And you have clean traffic towards 159.835, and then below 159.835, you're gonna have clean traffic as well coming down towards next support, which is down here at 159.466. So that ain't bad too. Pretty clean. All that clean traffic to the left there. You have a lot of range to the chat. Look at the weekly. We're breaking its own lows. The weekly looks like at this point it's gonna retrace this whole move coming down towards 157, right? So that was broken down this morning. If you guys missed it, I wouldn't be surprised if you fill that range this week. I think we closed somewhere over here. Clicking left. Last time you respect that resistance or these levels in general, you kind of rejected and you drove down towards next support at 154. So I wouldn't be surprised if you just hover back to those ranges. Pretty good chat. Pretty good. Should be a pretty good day in GJ. At one point I was like it might be chalked, but pretty solid. The volume. Bottom to down, Terra got electrocuted. Nah, it's way better. It's because I'm wearing a headset. Like, it's fine. It's just I'm wearing the headset, so it just makes everything kind of like spike up. Quick stream today. Nah, we back. You watched the game last night, Biggs?
Yeah, bro, that shit was crazy. I didn't even see that you were there until after it ended.
It was insane.
Bro, that shit was crazy. And wait, what's the series now? 3-2?
Yeah, we're gonna choke. I'm not gonna.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
I'm not gonna be too comfortable with that.
Nah, yeah, true. But I wouldn't say that. I think you guys got it.
Tampa's a hard ass team. We're reversing a back-to-back champ. We're reversing the Golden State Warriors right now.
I'm supposed to go to Tampa next like week or two.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, when you go there, they better be out the playoffs by then.
Yeah, no, I hope so. My I got some family down there that goes to school down there, so I'm gonna go visit.
I want to visit Tampa. I want to go to Vegas and no, not Vegas, Cali. And I want to go to a warm city in America.
Vegas, like Vegas is fun to go visit for like a little bit.
The DVS Vegas
though.
trip. Yeah, Marcus, do you gamble?
That'll be lit.
Where's that gamble?
Okay, but like, not in like
Teach you.
Right? What you tell me? Teach me.
You don't gamble.
Man.
When the last time you gambled?
Bro, 2019, and it's the last time for a reason. It's the last time for a reason. I told you a story, no?
I think you did.
Bro, fuck that shit.
We're gonna go with just a flat rate, a number that we're willing to just
and leave your card, leave your cards at home, leave everything else at home. Just bring cash.
At home, exactly.
Just
yeah,
bring
you
the
don't
cash.
bring your card to the casino.
We'll show up to the casino with 20 pips and we'll leave with 0, and that's okay because it was fun.
Yeah.
It's all about the experiences, right?
Chat, like,
it's gonna be at blood.
yo, like 2019, bro, like literally for a lot, like 100 pips type shit. Oh fuck. I was like, what's that? No, not 100 pips. No, I mentioned 100 pips for a lot. No, not 100 pips. 1,000 pips. Sorry, 1,000 pips for a lot. So yeah, that's no, not 100 pips. For 1,000 pips. Yeah, definitely leaving that stuff behind.
Someone said my mic is low.
My bad.
My
No,
volume's all the way up.
No, it's me. I gotta.
Stop blaming me, man. You hear that? It's fucking Don's fault.
Always my fault. Don, you suck.
My shit's all the way up.
Guys, if you guys missed more analysis, go back to the last streams. It won't be here. It'll be on the it'll be on the last streams VOD, alright? Oh. Cause our stuff crashed. Our stuff crashed, but it's alright. Cat, almost at 21k. Thank you. Already. Damn.
I don't know if you acknowledge this, but the Discord is like over 7k.
I do acknowledge that. Yeah, yo,
Yeah.
7.01. I haven't been sharing our Discord as much, to be honest. But I'm gonna start reposting the Discord every day. The free
I
Discord.
noticed it last night. I was like, oh shit, we had 7.01k.
Let's go.
Yeah, I was like, that's tight.
Look at the chat. They're like, pray for Don. Mark Ramirez came for him. For real, like when I was explaining gold, it just like crashed. It's like, whatever. As long as you're here for a 30-minute cannon closure below the range on GG, we're good. Chat's about to go insane again, chat, so. Yo, does your power thing make a difference? Like, your surge protector?
See, like for what happened to you, like surge protectors are for like if the power randomly will like go out, none of your electronics will get fucked up, because like they can get messed up, like the internal power supply can get real fucked up. But it sounds like you just like lost power for a quick second, because you said your lights went out too.
Yeah, but it's all connected to that surge protector.
Your lights and everything.
Yeah, it's all connected to that one surge protector.
Oh shit. Well, then it could have just been that.
Well, I need
I
to go downstairs and check if anything else went out, but it might have just been my room. But I don't know. I'm afraid it's my PC, but it's not my PC because the lights went out too. So.
Yeah, I have a feeling it was either the surge protector itself or just like a quick flicker in your power or something.
Yeah,
it's probably not your PC.
Quick flickers are annoying.
Yeah,
I need a UPS. Is that a backup? Is that a backup thing? Where can I get a UPS?
Yeah, that sounds fire.
How's that work too?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did I just like pump like what did I do? Like bike and create electricity? What's going on?
When he said UPS, I thought he was talking about, you know, United.
No, I think it's got backup. It's got it's like something interrupt. This thing looks like it's not.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
This
It's
looks like
kinda
a whole
crazy.
PC, man. This thing is. No one makes smaller ones or something. DM me. I'll sort you out on a UPS and what you need. But all right. Yeah, I got you. I'll DM you after. Or just DM me right now so I get reminded. What's Sharif doing? Sharif vibing. I think he forgot his cam's on. What up, Wicks? Chat, we have a closure in 2 minutes here, guys. I gotta lock it in here. We gotta lock it in, actually. Stops. How big are stops are gonna be 27. So I guess you can drag your TP down towards 159 at this point. For the rest of the range. 27 pip stops, not bad. This is a perfect closure too. I think we're gonna get a nice top wick. I believe in these situations the wicks will usually give us a nice top wick. I don't think we're gonna drive without a top wick. Should be something like this. Obviously we're gonna wait for it, but I think a top wick is gonna be somewhere created right here at around like 160 200 to 160 050, around those levels. And then once you have that, we'll be solid.
The reef's ass need an umbrella. That boy's soaking wet right now.
I don't even know if she's on this on camera.
What the fuck did I just look at?
What?
A bubble jacket. It's probably somewhere around you.
Yo, what?
Nah, it's not you, Sharif. It's the other Sharif. If your name's Sharif, sorry, we're talking about someone else in our Zoom call.
Traced.
Oh, no closure belowger?
Ouch.
Wait, 28 seconds. It's a lot of time. Can you close below here, GJ, or will you respect her support? Find out in the next episode of Waiting for Closures of Dawn.
We do not care.
And ain't gonna happen. Yeah, I need to save that sound.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen.
Okay, what should I take out? I gotta take out something. I need help.
Is that you on Control FX?
I can take that out. I think everyone knows it's the real Ted nowadays, so I can probably take that out. I think everyone knows it's the real Ted
That
now.
arc has finished.
Yeah. At one point, I was like, "Yo, is that the real Ted?
Yeah, that was a couple months ago.
Come to a fork in the road where we must say goodbye.
Came to see construction at our house.
Nice.
Ain't
That sound is fire. Ain't gonna happen.
White 350s dirty in the dirt. So
Ain't gonna happen.
in the dirt. So
Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen.
Wait, I need to reclip it.
dirt. So
Ain't gonna happen.
so
Ain't gonna happen.
so
Ain't gonna happen.
Fuck, why is it not clipping? Sorry, chat.
so
Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen.
I got it. Let me save this real quick. Boom. All right. Lit. You guys heard it?
Yeah.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen. Mm. Well, rip for another hour, 30-minute candle. Is it silly to join a live? Yo,
Get some more coffee.
you know, chat. I think this weekend I had the most ridiculous sequence with someone on IG. The most craziest sequence. Basically, what happened, or the most craziest back and forth. I couldn't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe what I was witnessing. This
That's the one
person,
you sent me?
yeah, this person, right? Man, they DM me saying, "Don, your live stream is not free. Stop saying it's free. It's $5." Right? I'm like, aren't all these things on YouTube free? Like, how's that possible? And then I think he's referring to the $5 membership, or the $5
Membership,
yeah, what's it called, the members thing, right? So the members, just for like if you want to support the stream or whatever, right? And I was like, man, that's where like if you want to support the stream, but you don't have to do that, just don't pay and click on the link. And he sends me a screenshot of the YouTube saying, see, where did I click? I can't click anywhere. It's $5. Guys, I'll show you guys a DM. I lost my mind, I think. I lost my mind.
The join button right there.
Yeah, he's like, he sent me a screenshot of this page. All he had to do is click on this link. I'm like, yo, click on the link, click on the link. He's like, I can't, it's not free. I'm like, what? What do you mean?
Did he think he was gonna get like auto charged once he clicks it? Is that what it is?
I don't.
He's just a fucking idiot.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, Don didn't want to say he's a fucking idiot.
I don't know. How did I not expose him though? I don't want to expose his name.
Well, he already knows you're talking about him.
Well, like, he doesn't know. I don't want to expose people's names. If I were to do this, what will happen? Ah, cool. If I were to do this. Ah, cool. You see? He goes. I'm such a genius too. Look what I did. The YouTube page, I click on the channel, join French. I need to pay $5 a month. No, you don't. Just click on the video. It's free. $5 is for people who want to support. LOL. Don't know how to reach your live. Click on the link. Click on the what's up live forex trading. Just click on it. The video will automatically play.
Damn shit.
Didn't see that. I'm sorry. No, and this went on for a whole weekend, chat. Like, there's a lot more to the DM. It went on for a whole weekend. I was like, man, like, how are people even trading FX, man? It's crazy out here. It's crazy.
Yeah, like FX is a little bit harder. So like the concepts are a little more difficult than click the link.
Yeah.
I still don't think that's worse than the Discord thing. People join the Discord and it says click the check mark to verify to access the channel.
Like, what fucking check mark?
Get in. You know the let me in meme? The guy at the fence. Let me in. Let me in.
All I do is open the fence. Bad funny. You're trying to hack your brother by clicking the link? What do you mean? What do you mean? No, he never sent me a link, no. Oh, this is good. Look at that gold rejection, right? That's what I was talking about, chat. So the break to 1 hour lows here plus a closure below at 8 AM will be pretty solid. You may get some positions at 8 AM. You may get better early positions here. Look at that daily, right? Daily is like rejecting off a perk resistance, right? So if you're gonna create a top wick, what's the most logical levels you can create a top wick at? Look left there. You have a top wick could be created here, right? Top wicks could be created here, or it can be created up here, or even like up here. So all these levels, price could reject that at any given point. And since you have a larger rejection level right here, go down to a small time frame, using a small time for confirmation, right? So a closure below would be perfect. Closure, something like this, a strong bullish candle closing within these wicks here, probably below like this, that'll be perfect. Then you take sales coming down towards next support like this. All right, chat. So it's not too bad, not too shabby. Yeah, how was Doctor Strange, Marcos? I might watch it.
Fire. I really liked it.
Better than Spider-Man?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I heard it was pretty good.
Objectively, it's like a better movie, especially for like the average person.
What are you trying to say?
You're a casual. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty casual.
It's way better for a casual, I would say.
You guys have those theaters in New York, or I'm pretty sure New York has it. But you ever been to those theaters that have like those like chairs, that recliner chairs and stuff?
Yeah.
I
Most of my theaters back home did that, but the theaters here are different. All the theaters here have a fucking like waiters and shit.
Yeah, like waiter. Yeah, you guys have waiters, and you guys have recliner chairs and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Chair
The
has a
chairs
little
aren't even that
button.
nice here, but the chairs in where I grew up were way better. Like the AMCs, and they would have the reclining. They were heated. was fire.
Basically Tyler's house.
Yeah.
Yo, Biggs, bring me a water.
Wait, so
T Biggs lives in one of those theaters. Look at that.
yo, T Biggs, for real, he has that theater right there. I just realized.
Circle said Spider-Man is trash.
Spider-Man wasn't like that crazy.
I didn't think it was trash.
I don't think it was trash. No, I think it was pretty
It's
good.
about what I expected.
I was expecting a lot more because of the hype, but
Oh, what else could it have been?
I mean,
It's exactly what they said it would be.
yeah.
It was like, it's not like they had less than they said would be in it. I think Doctor Strange was a
Wait.
fantastic movie, though.
I don't know if
You
I
should
watched.
see it.
I don't know if I watched the first one. I think I did. What happened in the first Doctor Strange again?
The first one is
Yeah.
when he gets his powers.
Really strange.
How did it work? What did you?
He gets in a car accident.
Wait, 2016, right?
I don't know the year.
Trying to see if I watched the first one. I think I did.
You think you know. What if I
There's
a strange reality?
protect the testicles. Doctor.
Oh, I did watch the first one. I think I did watch the first one. Someone in chat's like that hasn't watched the movie yet. It's been like 6 years though, so that's okay. Star Wars. When is next Star Wars? December, no? Or no? Is it December? No.
Never got into Star Wars.
Really?
Yeah.
As a kid I was, but as I got older, nah. How about Harry Potter?
Yeah, big Harry Potter fan.
I've watched all the
Myself.
Harry Potters.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a kid I was. I didn't watch all of them. That
I really read the books and everything. Like I was a Harry Potter
the
nerd.
fat the Bibles, you mean?
Yeah, bro.
The Bibles?
yeah. When I was a kid, I used to love reading those. I was a big reader when I was younger. I still read, but
I read the Half-Blood Prince and
that one's fire. That one's.
what's the green one called? Oh, the green one's called. No, that is the Half-Blood Prince. What's the red one then?
Welcome.
I don't really remember the colors of the books, honestly.
The what's it called?
I wish I still had them, but moved so many times, right?
Oh yeah, Goblet of Fire. There we go. Narnia. Oh yeah, Narnia's fire. Yeah, how come I hear myself? Where's that coming from? Hello.
Your headphones.
Nah, it only picks up sometimes. It's weird.
That's the thing that's providing sound.
Providing sound. Hey, I hope no one took entries on GJ, because this thing just ripped back up. You didn't close below, right? And that indicates that you're respecting support. And that's probably why you reject off the support and you're back at the top of the range. And if you break the 30-minute highs / 1-hour highs again, you may see it just retrace a bit further up, or just being pushed further up off the day's support now. Because it came down, tap target, tap the first listed target. So if you can get close below, it just probably indicates that we might just not end up tapping those levels for a day. We might just start to hover up, push back up here, and start to retrace or push up. But it's good because gold could just continue to push down now with news. That'd be perfect. Teletubbies. Huh. Are you planning to take a trade anytime soon? The question is, are you only here for a trade? That's the real question. Are you only here on the live stream for a trade? That's perfect. Going back to even the 4 account too, like the 4 account here is respecting that resistance. So that's perfect. We discussed that this morning, and as we're starting to flip bearish now, like the daytime is bearish, the 4 account is starting to reject that resistance. All you need is a 1-hour closure below here, and then we'll take sales before the 8:30 or 8 a.m. 8 to 8:20 you have to push.
8:20 will be the yeah. 8:20 will be the push.
Something like this, chat. Yo, Wix now, they're starting to call you half-day Wix nowadays.
Yeah, I saw that. I took the name down. Don't worry, I got him.
You got it.
Watch your back.
Watch your back. I was on here. Just like, what's the point of me being on the Zoom if I'm like, changing a diaper, telling kids to brush their teeth, making some breakfast, like. You do bad things, I do dad things.
Bars.
No, I'm here to learn. Oh yeah. Well, we'll get positions probably at 8 a.m. if we get a closure. So I drew what we wanted right off this hourly candle, and the next hourly candle closes within 14 minutes here. So as we close bearish in 14 minutes, we'll take a position at 8:15, 8:30. We should get the drive down beforehand, and then you have news at 8:30. So I don't think we'll be in a trade by 8:30. We should still be good, but yeah, I mean this is a pretty solid trade. The onion play. How big are stops though on average here? 30 pips, not bad. How do you good question. How do you keep improving? Do you feel like you hit a wall? Not really, no, because I'm always open to new shit. I never think of myself as a GOAT or like the best or top of the world or whatever. Like there shouldn't be any ego in trading. And like once you have that ego, that's when you hit a wall. The moment you say I'm a GOAT, I'm the shit, like you hit a wall. But I'm always open to new things every year. Like every year we work on at least one thing. I think last year we worked on just not taking impulse entries and understanding range one, range two breakouts, right? / fake outs. Learn how to avoid them. Learn how to not manage risk impulsively, which reflected to yesterday's stream, right? Chat, right? So that was last year. This year, I think what we're so far for the year, I mean, what have you guys noticed in the chat? Like, what have you guys noticed that we've been doing? I think for the most part, I think it's the higher time frame. I think we took advantage of the higher time frame this year, and we got a bit better fundamentals, just a bit better fundamentals, and how it always matches up with technical analysis. But overall, oh, also on the range one breakout going against the bias. Yes. Which is something we're still in the works of. Like it's nothing like confirmed yet. Still looking at it. this trade right here could be it. But the thing with this trade here is that it's the higher time frame that's showing me the rejections. It's the 4 hour count. It's the daily that I'm taking it off of. It's just I'm using the small time for confirmations. The biggest for me is not managing risk impulsively. Yeah, by the way, yo, I'm not sure who donated money yesterday, but someone donated money yesterday. I forgot to say thanks because I was kind of in the trade. So thanks to, I think it was 49 something. I'm not sure what currency, but thank you. Yes, Eric, I know. Look at the top left of my screen. It says CPI 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Oh, thanks for the donation, brother. Only wants to make a sport to continue up. It could, yeah. If it breaks above like 18.52, I'll take buys going up towards 18.55 and so forth towards next resistance up here even. Right, but until it breaks those levels, I am very open to sell still. With the daily bias being heavily bearish, it could still reject after current topic and the 4 count being bearish, and they're expecting positive or I think they're expecting positive numbers too for CPI 0.4, right? So if all aligns, we should continue down.
But at some point we did look right like this here, right? And then at some point, wait, wrong color. What the fuck you doing? At some point, this candle looked like this, and it came back. That candle looked like that. It came back. The next candle looked like that, and they all came back and closed here, right? So if we do that again and come back down and close there and start breaking lows while rejecting all these highs and the 8 a.m. volume, and it's a bearish day, see how all these people fall, all these pieces fall together, and and align. Where are we gonna go with volume once we're rejecting resistance and breaking lows? We're gonna drive down. Common sense.
Someone said Eric turned to lyric. What do you mean, Eric? What's the chat doing? The chat literally just said WRIC, WRIC, which means like W, like W. They when they say W in your name, it means like it's a good thing. It's like you're a W person. But now you're turning to an L person. What's going on? Who's chat?
I guess we'll never know.
Hope we get a fake out. I get a little bit of extra time.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get the bearish closure though. I think we're just on close here. So if you close like this chat or bullish, like there's no positions at 8. Probably gonna have to wait till 8:30. And you guys know the drill after that, right? 8:30, there's news at 8:30, and then we're gonna have to wait till 9. After 9, yeah, 8:45, no trade. 9 a.m. no trade.
Perfect time to take kids to school. See you guys in 10 minutes.
I've been a trade short GJ for the K. Nice, good stuff. Yeah, so 9:15, 9:30.
Ain't gonna happen.
NTG. NGO. No. TYG. What made you choose Forex over stocks or crypto? You kind of chose me. I don't really choose Forex, to be honest. It's just the first thing I heard of. Like I knew about stocks and crypto, but I was a lot more like my friend just said, "Oh, this is Forex." I'm like, "Oh, cool." I just looked into Forex, and then things kind of just clicked. But I'm glad because also all kind of like, I don't want to say stocks and FX, but crypto and FX are pretty similar. Stocks more fundamentals, so it's a different story. And even if I was a stock trader, I'd probably be a long-term swinger. I wouldn't be a day trader. I think day trading only goes well with trading FX and crypto for the most part. Kind of hard day trade stocks, right? I might be wrong though. Your friend still trading? I don't know. I don't know. I think he was last year, but I don't know about this year. I never asked him. I don't really haven't talked to him in a while. Yeah. I know people who still trade, like maybe a couple when I first started. When I first started, Jimmy was here, like he first started trading, so I mean he's still trading. Who else did I meet when I first started trading? That's about it. Oh yo, chat, by the way, souvenir, I got a puck from the game. Got the official warm-up puck. Pretty fire, right?
Yeah, saw that on your story. That's fire. Yeah, that's fire.
It says let me show you guys.
Bro, that's dope.
It shows official puck game 5 Tampa and Toronto, and then 9 Cup playoff. It's from the ice. That's kind of cool because like what they do is they have warm-up and then they get the pucks after from the ice, like when it's all wet and shit from the ice, and then they just bring it to the little apparel store, and then they just wrap it up in those authentic box, and then they just sell it to you for $50. Fucking crazy. They make profit off everything. But bro, people pay for like the players like ticket used water bottles, towels, hockey sticks, gloves, like skates, like, fucking everything. It's crazy, dog. Like people watch hockey are crazy. Yeah, 2 World Championship pucks from Division 3. What's that? What's Division 3? Yo, how come we can't keep a soccer ball in soccer, Marcos? Like, wait, let's say they kick it to the crowd. How come we can't keep it?
Actually, a good question.
Same with the NBA.
There's only a certain amount. You don't keep it in the NBA either. But I don't know specifically.
Yeah, I never understood that.
I mean, you would run out pretty fast because they kick it
Oh
out
yeah, and
purposely.
those balls are really expensive, aren't they?
It's the only sport where people kick it into the crowd on purpose. So that's probably why you would run out very fast. And yeah, that's true. Top level balls are very expensive. Like a soccer ball at the top level is like $200. How much is a hockey puck?
Yeah, I was about to say, aren't they like 200-300? Like, I feel like they might even be a little bit more. Like, I know the soccer balls are really
like
expensive.
the official soccer balls.
Yeah, they're like 180 to something because they have different levels of soccer ball, like with different stitching, premium leather, all that good stuff.
Yeah, official hockey pucks is just rubber. It's like $50. But for rubber, it's a lot for rubber. Well, the official ones, I think like you can get any hockey puck for $2.
Yeah,
but
it's about 100,
official ones,
150 for like a professional basketball or football. But again, they don't kick them into the crowd on purpose. You know what I mean? Like in soccer, it's like you could kick out 3 or 4 balls in a span of a minute.
But I think what I got was like a warm-up puck. Like I didn't get the game puck. I don't think the game pucks are different. I don't think they give those out unless you catch it in the stands or something. Bro, imagine being in a hockey stands and you get hit with the puck.
Fuck that. Yo. Nah.
Ow.
Nah.
Because you can go over the boards pretty easily.
Yeah.
Can you explain the trade game, please, through counter drawing, please? I'm a newbie. Yeah, I want to see a closure on GJ here, on gold here, sorry, in about a minute and a half or 3 minutes here. Something like this would be ideal. And it would take sales coming down to retest the low because the data bias is heavily bearish, right? And the daily time frame could flip at any given point, and this is the most logical, most recent resistance which can flip off of. The forward candle is the close below resistance, and the 30 and the 1 hour is just a cherry on top to that confirmation. So, because day target say is what? If we come down today, we flip bearish, it's gonna be 1825, right? Cricket. Damn, cricket. When was your first deposit when you began I blew like 20 accounts before I became consistent, chat. I said that in my podcast with Trading Nut. The Trading Nut. What a funny name.
It's a funny name. Oh, we came back down here.
I think Trading Nut grew though. His channel grew a lot. Props to him. He put me on. He kind of put me on the map. Control FX at least. How many of you guys came here from trading nut? I'm pretty sure a handful of you guys, like a good handful. That was like when I went from like 50 viewers to like 100 viewers, I think, when I was on trading nut last year. ADM coming, chat. ADM coming. I'm gonna need a closure a little below. I want to see this close below like 157.22. At like 151 would be perfect. 151, 270, 290. Like anywhere here would be perfect. The short college, yes. What was the hardest thing to do to become profitable? Mental. Psychology. Can do something
nice
for
closure.
GJ. GJ's a little different. GJ, I think GJ's gonna be chalk today for the most part. Like we came down, we tapped this target, and the question, if we were to close below there, we would have drove down, continued down. But since you didn't and you rejected, you can get a fake out still. But I highly doubt it. What may happen here is price may just continue to hover up here and push up towards like 160. But there's no buys for me. There won't be any buys for me or anything like that. So if you get the fake out, that'll be dope, but it won't be for a while. What do you say, Marcos?
So this is a nice closure and no bottom wick. Imagine.
I think we're good.
They broke those lows. That's good on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
'Cause I was just gonna say that our sell stops would probably be on the break of the previous lows anyway. Of that little weak bull.
TP is gonna be like 1840 or something, or maybe even dated target. I might extend it, but 1840. Dated target. I think it's gonna be
26.
1826, but I think I'm gonna just leave my target now at 1840 just so it's on screen. We'll just adjust it later or something.
Got news at 8:30, so we got to see how the cookie crumbles.
Yo, imagine we're in profit like by news, like we're in a trade.
That's what I'm saying.
And then you just pull stops in profit, and then news just rips it down even further. Like that'd be perfect.
The dream.
I'm gonna need a topic here, chat. I need to trace a little bit, retrace a little bit here. That's it.
Oh. Big stops now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 4 pip stop. 35, maybe. This is good though. That's perfect. Just retrace a bit and leave a bottom wick. That's all we need here. Oh no. Oh, come on. MT5.
Please.
3. That's a bottom wick, and that's no bottom wick, man. MT5. Damn.
I have a bigger bottom wick on MT5 than I do on TradingView.
Really? TD shows that?
Yeah.
Let's see how
TD
TD
have
looks.
a 3 pip bottom wick.
Blueberry has no bottom wick.
Really?
Yeah.
I've got a pretty big bottom wick here.
Pretty big. Yeah, because your kind of looks like my the reason why it might be different chat as well, because it's the lag. It's the lag within the training view. Training view has a little lag, so that's why it may not show. The only way I'll enter here is if you get a nice top wick. If you get a top wick coming up to like maybe this next resistance, so like something like this would be ideal. Tapping like 1854, and then we'll have a sell stop. Right? We'll have a sell stop because just because it has a bottom wick, what we usually see is that price will usually still continue to drive down. It's just that it may not continue to stay down. So like I believe we should get the push if we get a top wick. And we should push up to like 4.9 minimum, 4.8 minimum around those levels, and then depending on how price reacts there, it might flip bullish again. But anyways, like it doesn't matter what happens here. It's more so just if you get a top wick, we'll enter. If it starts to hover down and before it creates a top wick, then we'll just stay out of the trade. There won't be any positions. GJ closed no top wick as well. GJ on the hourly and 30. And if it doesn't create a top wick by like 8:15, then just chalk the trade and wait for news to come out. Right, 8:30.
There we go. Not bad. Ooh.
Yeah, I want to see something steeper. I want to see like 152, 1852. Just because like of this scenario we're in right now currently.
Yeah. It's gonna drive. It hit that
Like,
30-minute resistance.
If you had a steeper bottom wick here, I would have just like entry on a breaker of lows and stop loss approach kind of how would have been fine. I would have just been fine to enter on self stops here, but since the current situation, I'm gonna wait for something steeper. If it drives, it drives, chat. If it drives, it drives. Worst case, wait for 9 a.m., 9:15. Because I'm pretty sure, like, if you get a push now, you're gonna get a continuation. Because the day count's gonna flip, and you're gonna get a continuation all the way down towards like next support, which is at like 1830 levels, 1820, 1826, whatever it is, right? So I wouldn't even be too stressed out about this current range if you can't catch this range here. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to stress about, right? A 30 close perfect too. Alright, DID. How many members do you have on YouTube right now? Chat, if you guys enjoyed the stream so far, make sure to leave a like and sub to the channel. You guys been lacking on likes. Even when we win trades, like, you guys give no likes. No love.
You're breaking the highs.
Yeah, it's good. If we can just push up 5.2.9, like 5.3 would be perfect. Where stop speed, but if we were to answer stop speed to Prius kind of high, it would be like 4 pips. You can use current kind of high actually. If its current candle comes up to like 5.3, you can use current candles too. It's not bad. And it's gone. All right. All right. No move till probably 9 a.m. chat for me. It may drop down here. It may not.
I guess we'll never know.
All right. Be honest. Who's in?
Yeah, be honest now. Be honest
You know what
now.
time it is.
Be
Be
honest now
honest.
before whatever happens. Because
Say it
then
now.
Don, I got in on that count NGL gang.
Who's in? I'm in. I'm in. LMAO. All right, let's do the talk again.
Check. Who's in?
Let's do the talk.
I mean, if you're
again.
in, I hope it drives through. Like, I really hope it drives
No,
through.
I hope it drives.
It's not like, it's not like we're like saying don't drive, you know.
Yeah.
We're just asking.
I just want to make sure you say it before it drives. You know what I'm saying? No more when I'm playing that NGL gang. Damn, there's a lot of people in. Holy shit.
That's a lot of people in the
God damn.
Yeah, I saw chat just started to move faster and faster. I was like,
Oh shit.
I'm like, uh-oh.
I don't even want to talk shit now. 'Cause now I just gotta root for you guys.
Hey, I hope it drives.
I'll save the talk. Everyone, people know what talk it is. I'll save it. I actually want you guys to win. There's too many people in now.
Yeah.
Now the whole fam's in. Let's go.
I mean, I hope it drives for you.
Yeah, I need it to drive now.
10 pips secured. What? How?
Rejection.
But yeah, see, just because everyone's in doesn't mean I'm gonna get in just because, right? It's I'm gonna wait for my setup. I'm gonna wait for it to come to me.
I did kind of think about it, and then it just flipped too fast though for me to set anything. But it doesn't look bad.
Like, here's the drive.
But I'm
My
not in.
my little thing here is just like the reason why I honestly would have been fine with that top wick, perfectly fine if like the Prius kind of left a bigger wick. And that was my dilemma, I guess. Like, if we had a small wick like that, now I need an extra confirmation. I need something that balance that out. And that balance it out, me balancing it out was basically waiting for a steeper top wick to happen like 5.3, right? And since you can get that, or you can get that, or you can get the bottom wick, it's like at this point, I might as well stay out. It's like every sign shows me that I should stay out. Not because it's not going to drive, just because it's, for me, it becomes a lower probability setup. And I'd rather just miss this range and catch, in worst case, we catch sales below 5.6 or 4.6, right? Because if it drives down here, it's going to drive down towards 4.6 here. But the good thing about this entry is that if you guys are in, like, you can probably leave runners here. If price continues to drive through CPI and you're down here at that point, CPI can probably push price all the way down towards like 1832 levels and such, right? So if you're in, you should survive the runners. I think you should be in good hands. 6 pips.
Yeah, the 4-hour candle's bullish, but the daily is bearish, and we tap that daily resistance.
Yeah, and also the 4 candle is rejecting the resistance. The 4 candle barely left the top wick here, right? And it's respecting that resistance, and that's just a little sign as to the daily could be flipping. And then the 1 hour candle closing bearish is the cherry on top with that. So every time from kind of lines perfectly here. Just no bottom wick. Just no bottom wick. All right, Michael, I got you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, goal said. Oh wait, wrong one. Wrong one, chat. I meant to.
Ain't gonna happen.
I meant to put this instead. No, that's the wrong one. I didn't mean. I don't want to scare you guys like that.
You're gonna scare me.
The wrong one. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Look
Oh
what you did.
shit. Oh shit. Yo, we gotta clip that. We gotta clip that. We gotta clip that. Someone clip in the channel. Hey, yo, bro. Blame me. What do you mean blame me? Kevin, Marco's asking if you guys are in. He's trying to make you guys better. Just, you know, just being better is being honest. Being honest with yourself is being better, right?
You get tired of your own shit eventually.
Yeah, you get tired of hearing. Oh, that's why I didn't get it. You get tired of hearing that eventually.
Yeah.
I relate with that. When I first started watching the stream, I'd always hear down like, "Oh no, I'm not getting in. I'm not getting in," or "I need a steeper top wig," and I'd get in anyway. Like exactly like you said, Marcus. Then I'd be sitting there like, "Fuck." It's just funny.
But if whoever's in, like, what's your stop loss? Previous 1 hour high? I guess the previous one. That's the most logical stop loss, right? Previous 1 hour high, because the current count stops is not logical because it didn't have that resistance there. What you may see here, it will be interesting because you have news in 8:30 here, right? And at this point, it looks like price is gonna re-break the highs, and if it does re-break the current kind of highs, you're gonna see it probably retrace up here towards like a 5.2, and it looks something like this at one point. It'll probably trace a 5.2, right? And at 5.2 is when it's gonna make a decision. If it rejects there before news, you may see it push down for news, depending on how news or how numbers come out. But if it starts to hover above and break above obviously the 1 hour highs, then news will probably just continue to push price up, and then we'll get buys above like 18.56, I guess, for range 2 breakouts. So let's see, it's gonna be interesting. I did not pull the special out today or the playbook. Chat, if you guys are new to the streams here, we have a playbook that we spent like basically 2 years on creating. We created it within a month, but we spent 2 years in the making in terms of learning all these little concepts and putting it into a little playbook for you guys. So this is all here. Obviously it doesn't cover everything, it doesn't cover no bottom wicks, no top wicks, but that's what the course is for. Obviously this is just more so for the entries, like my entries. So if you guys don't have it, go download it. It's free on controlfx.com, no charge. And yeah, pretty cool. And if you guys want the journal here, the same journal that we've been using all year long, it shows the year stats, wins, losses, break-evens, pips, win percentage, all of that. Even the stats of each specific trade here, it shows as well. And if you guys want this copy, just do !point journal in the chat, and a link for yourself should pop up pretty nicely. All right. Ooh,
Quite a top wick.
What up, 50? Yeah, that's the top wick that I wanted initially. If this was if we create a top wick first, chat, right, at 8 AM instead of coming down, like I would have a sell stop here on the break of 1849, because you re-break that low, you're coming down towards the rest of the range here, I'm pretty sure, towards 1846. But it's getting very close to news here, so you might as well wait for news to play out. Because I don't want to be in a trade at 820, 815 and have to worry about like have news, you know what I mean? News come into factor. What up, 50?
How you guys all doing?
Yo.
Vibing.
You watch the game?
I enjoyed my seat all night, man. I enjoyed my seat all night. You were there, weren't you?
Yeah, did you watch it? The
Bro,
game?
you've been at the craziest games this shit. Absolutely crazy.
Oh yeah, Matthew 60.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
There's some
That
decent-
goal by Matthews when he scored that, the building went lit. Absolutely crazy.
Not gonna lie, I think game 1 was more loud,
Yeah.
but it was lit.
And going down 2-0 and coming back, that was a good feel.
Yeah, but first period was not a good feel. I think the first period, everyone was kind of grunting. Everyone was like, yo, like during intermission, everyone went to a little like outside and started talking shit. Like, yo, this team's so annoying. They're so ass. Like they're not shooting the puck. And then I think Jason Spezza gave him a little speech during like the intermission, and then they started playing good after.
It
Yeah.
showed that. It showed that. That's the culture I hate about the Leafs. It's like when they lose, people are so quick to shit on them, and then when they're playing good, it's like Stanley Cup.
Sounds
parade,
like
you know what I mean?
sounds like our stream, man. Sounds like our fucking stream. When we win, everyone cheers. When we lose, everyone's like, "Yo, Don, you suck." Like, do you know how to trick gold? Like, I don't think you're ready for gold, Don. You're too newbie.
Oh, you nailed it. Yeah.
No, that thing you posted on your IG, that dude who commented.
Yeah, someone on IG it was like, what do you say? They
You
said,
don't know about trading.
I will come live soon. I'm like, sorry, buddy. I guess we stuck.
Yo.
I guess we suck, man. Wow, that's a nice topic. Wow, that's a beautiful topic. All right, chat. Who closed impulsively? Who closed impulsively now? Because here's what happens now, right? So you enter the initial trade because it was like a 50-50 thing for you. You're like, no bottom wick, but it's a little nib. I'm gonna enter. I'm just enter because it closed below, but there's no bottom wick. And then as it starts to shoot up now, it's like double the anxiety now because now you're like, well, no bottom wick. I entered, and now we're pulling back hard. I might as well get out here. And then if you close impulsively there, and now you're just like, fuck, why did I get in the first place? Now that's flipping bearish again. You're like, I can still drive down because bottom wicks are 50-50s, right? So, and the reason why like I didn't want to get in like right now again is because like we got the bottom wick first, and usually bottom wicks again, like Wick says all the time too. Wickson, he says how like we say how bottom wicks doesn't mean that it necessarily won't drive at all. It can still push down a little bit, but the question is, will it stay down? And I guess this is the push down. That was a push down, and the question now becomes like, what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen in this range here, right? But 15-minute start looking nice, yeah. I think at this point I'm gonna wait for news there, 8:30, and see what happens. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you didn't close impulsively, I mean, good. You'd be good. You'd be solid. And if you're in a trade and you're just like nervous right now or just anxious, like whatever, then just close here. If you feel like the trade's not gonna play out, then close here at break even. But like if you close here at break even, don't say, I should have held later if it drives down, right? Yeah, chat, I have no sell stops or anything. I have nothing. I got nothing at all here. I'm gonna wait for 8:30 at 15, or sorry, 8:45 or 9 a.m. probably. Wicks Young Gold.
Am I in? No, I just walked back in.
You dropped off your daughter?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got stuck on the train tracks.
Train tracks? Oh, the car.
Like, yeah, it was like she has this thing where she counts the carts, and she counted over 200 carts, and I was like, all right, stop counting. Like, this is getting ridiculous. I'm missing trades right now because some fucking asshole decided to take a train. Nah, I had yours on YouTube. It ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen.
Got news in 15, then after 15 after that when it plays out, we have the last 15 of the 4 hour. Then we have the first 15 of the 4 hour. Then we have NYSC that we need to wait for. is good. It's gonna give the market some time to give us volume and direction.
Are you truly happy? What is happiness? I don't know. I guess so. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Pretty vibey. I don't really have any. I'm pretty chill, yeah. For the most part, living life.
Here's the thing.
What's more to life, you know?
Somebody on the other end of the world, for me, could be living in a fucking 200 square foot apartment and loving life, being the happiest person in the world. Why? Because they don't know a bigger fucking apartment exists. So they don't know they don't know they can have more space. So I don't know. They're probably living their life happier than me, right? They just don't know that there's a lot more shit out there. So happiness isn't the true, measure of anything. Like, it's relative. What's happiness? Like Don says. Like, let's define happiness. It's different to everybody.
To infinity and beyond. To infinity.
That's what it is.
I love Buzz.
Me too. Is carrying more money? Not really. No, I'm pretty chill. Like, I don't know. Obviously, like, the more the merrier. But I'm pretty chill. Like, I'm pretty. Like, I'm just living life. I think this year I learned to just live life. Like, just live day by day. A lot of people ask me though, like, yo, like, so what are your plans for like the next years to come? Like, I don't know, man. I'm just living life. I'm just living day by day. Like, why is that? Why is there always have to be some type of like why you guys all gotta plan your future? I don't know. That's just how I see it. I'm more content with that. Just living day by day. The Professor Lightyear. Nice.
Sounds so random. Yeah, we don't do transitional material. Everything's just kind of like random.
Yeah, we just do random shit.
That's racist, Wix. On the other part of the world, do you mean Africa? Are you insinuating that I'm racist?
Did you go any private sales this week? Yeah, we have. I gave out a couple. It's been just pretty slow week though. I think I gave out this week. What day did the week start? The 8th. I gave out 3 sales this week. 13, 20, and 20. So I mean, 50 pips, whatever it is you want to call it. That's the week. This is the month so far. Pretty chill. Nothing crazy. I think I missed like a couple agent sessions. I missed Yes's agent session. But not really yesterday. Yesterday nothing happened. I wouldn't have caught anything. But the day prior I kind of missed a couple because I was kind of busy. But yeah. 820 here, chat. You might see Go Drive here. Oh. 820 volume. Yeah, you should see a drive down here towards 46 potentially. 46. If we were to enter in a breakout lows, how much would this give you? Oh, well, I would have given you 10 break even. Yeah, it tapped that Mars support too. So I would have been out that trade by now. All right, so even if I was in that trade, I would have got out break even. So I mean, I guess you saved another bullet there. Would
have been half rest too.
And I don't think it would have moved way too quick, so I wouldn't have been able to close partials maybe. If I would just stop to break even and that's it.
Oh, what? Yo, I didn't know this does this.
What?
Yo, did you know clicking the wheel on your mouse brings up the measuring tool on MT5? What?
No, I didn't know. It doesn't work for me. You might have a shortcut on or something.
No,
I use my
I've never
mouse
said.
to open in a new tab.
What?
Wix just discovered life right now.
This is crazy.
So hype.
Yo. Right, yo, Pete, it works. Anybody know that? I didn't know that. That's crazy.
Yeah, there's a couple people freaking
Wow.
out.
No, here's the. I know the platform pretty well. I've never used the mouse. I've always been on my laptop, and for the last half a year, I've been on this. It took a half a year to discover this.
I don't know. I don't think it works for me.
No, mine just shifts.
Yeah.
You go to
Okay.
M- Yeah, Alt F4. I know that. I do that. Alt T, Alt R, all those commands I know, but I didn't know the mouse does this. What?
Incredible, right? Technology Wix 9. It's insane.
Mind fucking blown right now. Like, whoever came up with that is genius. Thank you.
Yo, chat. You guys ever done Alt T or Alt T? Is it T? No, it's Control T. Oh wait, no, that's Tab. What's it called?
There's Control T that takes away your balance stuff, and then there's Alt T that takes away
No,
the pricing. the
Alt
buy-sell
I.
button.
Alt I. It flips your chart. Did you ever done that? On TradingView, going Alt I here. Oh look,
No,
you're
it
in the
doesn't.
sell. There it does. Alt I.
Oh, on TradingView, yeah, not on Traders. I think you said Traders Domain. Like what?
So look, what is this? If you're in a bearish chart right now, what is this? This is a range 2 breakout, right? You have sells below. You have sells below here. That's pretty clean to fill the range here, coming down towards 8.64. To be honest, chat, I want to see something. Do we take more wins on buys or sells? Let's take a look at our little spreadsheet here. So
I'm gonna guess sells.
I think sells,
Yeah,
right?
I was gonna say sells. Yeah, I feel
Sells,
like it's
sells, sells. All right, someone keep track. All right, so
You
one,
check on the
two.
yearly stats.
Let's just show buy or sells.
It doesn't show buy or sells.
No.
What the? Badger, what the fuck?
Badger, what the fuck? Nah, I
You
don't
had
know.
one job.
What's the
Badger.
point? What's the point of keeping the stat though?
Because
Where we're gonna have it, you know what I mean? Like
we're
buy.
gonna cut out buys in
Nah,
2027.
just leave it. Yeah, like there's no point. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, it's even here. 4, 4. All right, February. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so buys took over that month. I think it depends on the trend, obviously, too. Buys, sells, like sells took over here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 out of 24.
1, 2, yeah. All right, April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's pretty even. Sells, but May is in sells all month. Sells, 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 sells. I guess it depends on the trend. It's funny because like chat, you go back on all you go back on all these trades here. You go back on all these trades here, and it's like all these buys or sells is depend. It depends on the ranges in that day, like or the bias it has that day, or the trend the market's trending in that time.
It makes sense. We took mostly gold buys during the war news.
Yeah,
We're gonna be taking mostly
sells and another trade.
GJ sells with the inflation. Like,
I prefer wins. Really don't care if it goes buys or sells.
Wins.
GJ flip, no talk wick. Gold here in 4 minutes. You got news here, guys. So get ready to buckle your belts, your seatbelts, and get prepared for liftoff or whatever direction price goes. Right?
Should be fun.
Yeah. The journal doesn't work. The journal sheet doesn't work, or what? It does work, doesn't it? Yeah, it works. It's not empty. You open it up, it shows this. You see how it shows like welcome page, yearly stats, January, February, March, April, May. You know, yeah. Click on a couple buttons first, you know, but it will show this. Maybe we can add a little instruction sheet, like click on the months at the top left if you're on mobile, and in the bottom if you're on desktop. Come on. Come on. You're a trader, right? Don't listen, Hack. What do you mean? Yeah, then you go to file, make a copy. Saying did we get a record high viewers? Yeah. Oh, you want the real trades? Yeah, the real trades show that. Yeah. There we go. Damn, you would have hit break even like 20 times today. So Izzo is a. Actually, I'll ask Shane Cax after. That's kind of cool. Post next to my desk. Do you have one of these wicks or no?
It's gonna be a no from me, dog.
I feel like you'll have that. I feel like you'll be the type of guy to have that.
I am the type of guy to have that. I just don't have that.
Want to put your timestamps on your stream vids? I mean, who wants to do them for me? That's the real question. I want to chat, want to be part of the community and help us out. I think we used to have people do timestamps, but they kind of retired. They retired from us. 1 minute for news here. 1 minute for news. Well, we'll resume that convo after, right? We'll talk about who wants to do timestamps for us after.
Is this your way in? Huh?
Okay, who's gonna have battles to sell stops here? Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
And let the fun begin.
Ooh.
All right,
Ooh.
so people probably have sell stops below here and buy stops above here, I guess, right?
Slippage.
And
Yeah, that's probably true.
and those sell stops will be active right now, so people who have sell stops are in, I guess.
And people who have FOMO are entering cells now, and you just got screwed.
I think it should be good. I think it should continue to drive down here.
This is good.
Yeah, this is good.
Cleared out a bunch of range.
Good. Look at the 9 a.m. onion play. Oh, perfect. The
Never mind, not good, not
no.
good, not good.
Oh, damn. Impulse Andrews would have got.
Close.
Impulse Andrews would have got destroyed here. Ooh, some retracement. Impulsive. Ah, damn. Impulse entries. What's going on?
Oh, shit.
Okay, GJ. How did numbers come out? Good? Should be good numbers, right? Yeah, good numbers. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, yeah, technically good numbers. Gold should continue to drive down. At this point, I need a closure here, chat. So wait for the 9 a.m. candle. 9 a.m. All right. So in about 30 minutes, we'll get positions. Just let news do whatever it wants to do here.
4 hours clean.
Very clean. We might even take a 4-hour trade right at 9 a.m. if you get a nice top wick. Perfect. And then we'll drive all the way down towards 1832. That's the target. 1832 is target, right, chat? That's the target. And look at the day count flipping too. Starting to flip, right? You rejected that resistance there to the left. The 4 count we talked about earlier, how it rejected resistance here, and then the small attack from give that confirmation. So with that being said, so get continuation.
The good thing is, even if it pulls back here and just, we get a closure like this or like this, any one of these is great because it already cleared out all this range. So all the orders that were here, they didn't had any kind of buying power or anything. This was all cleared out. It was just clean range. So if we close anywhere here, we should just be able to Drop down because all of these orders were cleared out.
Luna is at $1. Holy.
Yeah, bro. I was just looking at that chart. That's weird.
It went from $90 to $1.
Rug pull? Rug pull?
Luna.
Like the news around.
Holy shit.
Bro, I can't believe that shit.
It went down a gazillion%.
Went from, I think it peaked at like 130, didn't it?
Yeah, it's under $1 now. Holy shit.
Someone short Luna?
That shit went down 100%, and then went down another 100%, and then went down another 100%.
Insane.
Holy shit. It's a shitcoin now.
Yeah, I had a couple of my boys
anything,
text me.
anything that can be so parabolic is trash.
Crazy.
Anything, there's no value. There's no store of value, right? It's devalue.
That's crazy.
RIP TikTok gurus. Alright, so TikTok today, Luna crashed.
Oh man, if I was still Marco's moves, I'd be going viral right now.
Marco's
I'd be
moves.
going live.
Yeah, he'd be streaming right now.
Yeah, should I put Luna in the title?
You get crazy views.
You get 1,000 viewers. Just jump in here.
Mm-hmm.
Luna trash talk. Maybe a little tether.
Yeah. Bro should make its way down here.
Luna means moon. It's definitely not mooning.
Do no live trading.
Mooned a long time ago.
Buys above here, range 2 breakout. I think I had my bias marked a bit differently. I think earlier on I set for GJ. Was it above here? I think it was above here actually. Yeah, above 16900 here. Yeah, bias and GJ for me will be above 16900 chat, and then going up towards 161,373. That is what we're looking at for GJ. And gold here, again, you can get sales below 46 or below 40. Just wait for a closure. Just wait for a closure. You should retrace here eventually. Part of the last 15 on the hourly candle should retrace.
UST was the UST. That's tether. UST.
Terra.
USDT.
Terra.
It's supposed to be a stable
It's
coin,
3
though.
cents?
Bro, it dropped what?
No
But
way.
in order for it to be like a 1-for-1,
What did?
UST, which was a stable coin. Literally,
you really
like,
have
2
to
days ago.
hold the same amount in dollars as you do in your coin in order for it to be a 1-for-1, right?
$1 of tether is $1 of US dollar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but Tether was forced to open up their books last year, and they showed that they have like nowhere near 1-to-1. They only have maybe like what, like 13% of
I
what
will
they
never.
And they initially
stable
said
again.
they were holding 1-to-1 in dollar amount, and then they said they were holding 1-to-1 in equity, and then they said they were holding, because we have all this real estate, we're holding, technically we sell everything, we have 1-to-1. Like, no, they had like less than 20% of 1-to-1 for the dollar, so it was all a lie.
They're accountant.
It was stable
Yeah.
based on the illusion that they have a 1-to-1, $1 for one coin,
Wait,
and
which-
they had nowhere near. When they were forced to open up their books, that let a whole fucking whole bunch of shit out.
Hey, yo, I mean, you got closure below here.
Clean traffic to the left.
You had clean traffic to the left. I mean, I'm not even like, look,
Negative 10.
look at, I mean, price action showed you had a closure below this range here, and this kind of just continued for the range coming down, chat. I don't know.
Let's see what the guy's saying on Twitter, the founder.
What's his name?
Do Kwon. D-O space K-W-O-N.
So is it in negatives right now? How's this work?
I don't fucking know.
Remember
Zero.
oil?
Oil, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Went
Oh,
to
he did a
minus
Dear
40.
Terra community on Twitter 2 hours ago.
He did a what?
Like the Logan Paul apology.
Nice.
What's his
He's
name?
basically he's moving to India.
Do Kwon. DOKWON.
Oh, him. Oh, wait,
Verified.
DOKWN. I can't find him.
No shit, neither can the rest of the world.
No, it's just Do space Kwon. That's his name. His at is stable Kwon.
Oh, KWN. Okay, I got it. Can't find him. That's funny.
Got 1,800 tweets in the last hour about him.
Oh, looks like he's moving.
Sentinel Island.
Oh, that was.
What was the other thing that was a scam early on? Bit something?
There's like 1,000 of them.
Man,
No,
FX trading gold is so stable, right?
This is why I tell people, I'm like, take the money you make in crypto and cherish it. Because that shit could go to zero overnight.
Yeah, it can.
BitConnect. I was
It
like,
can definitely go to zero.
I think I sold my third month, like the last peak. The last peak at the top. I didn't have anything crazy in it, but still.
NFT?
NFT. Well, my plan was to just like wait for the. I sold it, so I can just wait for it to just kind of retrace until we get some type of bullish momentum and some bullish confirmation, and then just buy back in. But that won't be for quite some time. Yeah, Chad. Target for gold is at 1832, right? Because look at the day count starting to flip now, right? And we discussed this like this morning on live streams as well, like this morning. So if you were here, you were here. But you close below this range here, just counts it as bearish, right? It was creating a top wickout morning. Next target is down at 1826 here. Looking left, what price is doing right here is just mirroring this candle here. So once it flips bearish, I wouldn't be surprised if we start to continue to drive down and we fill the rest of the range at 26, right? So the ranges are clean, everything's clean. It's just now it comes down to, can we get an entry? That's it. Can we get an entry coming down towards that level? That 4 candle for our onion too. Favorite session should off stream. I mean, New York still is my favorite session. Gold prices are higher in TradingView. Let me check my Blueberry. I think.
Yeah, it's on the brokers. It's lower.
Yeah, it's at 38. I mean, right now some Blueberries at 38.
Yep, TD's at 38. Blueberries and TD are more or less same price, just different spreads.
But the low was 36. The low here was 38. That's interesting. Different prices, I guess. Where's the drawing at?
Old 4-hour breaking the lows.
Yep. Did I do a draw on gold today? I think I did, right? Yeah, we did go a drawing, but sells below here. We did the drawings, but we couldn't get entries in. That was the morning. If you guys, yo, very crucial. If you guys did miss it, go back and watch it. Go back and watch the analysis this morning. It's very, it showed you like what happened in price today. Just through technical analysis and CPI, right? No. Use 8 cap charts to match Blueberry. I've always the thing is like I don't really care what happens on Blueberry. I'm looking at Owanda. Like I always enter trades off Owanda, like my whole life. So like there's no point in me changing it now. Right? You know what I mean? I might as well keep looking at the Owanda chart, just entering off Owanda. And that's why I say like whenever I switch brokers, I'm not gonna be looking at my broker. I'm looking at Owanda. I'm just entering off my broker, right? Thing is like even if we were to get in on off of the first 1 hour candle, right, the sales that we initially wanted, we would have hit break even beforehand. But this is what I was talking about. I was talking about like, yo, if we would have got in at 8 a.m. and then survived our break even points and survived, you know, CPI, like we would have drove all the way down towards like 32 with runners. You have 15 minutes left for this retracement. So it could still retrace. It could not. Let's see. It could retrace back to like 45, but you see how we're just sitting here, chat? No positions.
It's gonna retrace.
Yeah. If it doesn't retrace, then what's the worst that can happen to you? You don't get a position today? Cool. On to the next day. Right? What is this? 100 pips? 200 pips?
I'm at 1840. I don't know how you're at 36. There we go. What the fuck?
What's the worst thing that happen to the chat? You don't get a position, right? That's it. Did we expect price to drive down today? Yes. Did we get an entry? Maybe not yet, maybe not, but you know, it's just waiting patiently for our setups. That's it.
Yeah, you're not required to catch what anyone else caught. And you know, you're not. This is an individual sport, right? Grab your keyboard, your racket, whatever, and do you. No FOMO. Wait for your move. You know, people have been winning all night, all through the night, all through London session, all through the Asian session. People have been winning. You know, everyone has their time in the markets. Everyone has their time to trade. Like, just because, you know, someone's in a trade, it's not a requirement for you to be in a trade. Wait for your setup. Wait for your positions. If you're having impulses, step back. Shouldn't be, you know, shouldn't be jumping at opportunities. Should be concentrating on your opportunity and waiting for it to come.
Chat, we gave a breakdown at 6:30. Like I don't know why everyone's so surprised with the move. We literally gave the whole entire breakdown at 6:30 this morning. Like 6:30. We talked about the day candle flipping, right? I'll do it again. We talked about how the day candle was creating a top wick here, right? At 1854. And we talked about how the forward candle closed a bullish respecting this resistance, right? So it closed respecting the resistance, had a chance it could reject here, and that leads to a daily candle flipping bearish, right? And then dropped down to a small time frame. All I knew was a cherry on top, and that cherry on top was a 1 hour closure. So the whole move was broken down, right? But just because it was broken down doesn't necessarily mean there's always going to be a position, right?
Everything's getting crushed right now.
Gold.
Ethereum just went down $200 on stream.
What's that?
2200.
Oh shit. Let's see. Yeah. Look at that weekly, man. 1900 by prior this week. 1900, 2000. Monthly support, but if this monthly candle closes below in 20 days, like we're going all the way back to like 1100.
Yeah, Bitcoin probably at 20K. That chart's good too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Should I know this means for tomorrow? It's gonna be good for tomorrow because depending on how we close today, obviously we can still close bullish. Don't get me wrong, but depending on how we close tomorrow, especially if you close, I want to say if you can close below like 1825 today, because yesterday we discussed how if it closes below 1850 we should be good today, right? But tomorrow, if it closes below 1825, if we drive down to 1825, we're driving all the way back to 1807, 1806. But that's if you really close below those ranges here. 1825, 26, right? Around those levels. Yo, KD tier 2, appreciate it, brother. Hey yo, thank you.
The least Biggs could do is at least throw on a movie on there. Sports Center, something.
In the back.
He's laughing.
Just leaves an empty movie theater.
Wait for our next count, right? Yeah, we said it earlier. Like we said how from our perspective, like we wanted to enter the 8, we couldn't get it, right? So from 8, since we couldn't get that entry, we said to wait for the 9:15, 9:30 push, because you can't get entries now with 8:30 because 8:30 had news. If it wasn't for news, then maybe. But since we had news, I knew to stay out, and then last 15 on the 8 a.m. candle, which is right now, we're gonna pull back, so we can't enter there. And then I said how 9 a.m. is your new opening of the forward candle, but since it's a new forward candle and you just had a strong push for the first forward candle, you're probably expecting a steeper wick for the new forward candle, and that should take up like a good 15-30 minutes of the next 30-minute candle. And then 9:30 with a 9:30 volume, 9:30 news, you should get a continuation of price to drop down still. So wait for this forward candle to close. The more you pull back, the better it will be, you know, because you're kind of just in these ranges there. From here to here. So if you pull back, let's say like you come up, pull back to like 1842, whatever it is, something like this, leave a nice wick fill, you would drop down the next forward count like this, come down to fit a wick and fit a range, and eventually tap like 1830, 1835ish. But just wait for the pullbacks and wait for this candle to close, and I'm pretty sure you will get something today. Just chill out, you know. It's not the end of the world.
Chill the out.
I said earlier too, like if you're gonna get in, you would have gone on this 8 a.m. candle, but don't say later like you missed the move, right? If it wasn't your position, you didn't miss the move. Yeah, the fees are different. It's definitely different, but it's just based off of the prices are different, but overall it's the same price action. Check this card.
You only miss the move if you can't explain why you stayed out. If your position came and you stayed out, but you can't explain why you stayed out, there was no legitimate reason to not take your own position, then you missed it.
Yeah.
Like we see our moves, we have closures, right? But we just didn't have a bottom wick. Boom, we stayed out. Move still went, but the chances of it going went down drastically after no bottom work. So we had a, you know, precise, you know, solid reason for staying out.
Huh. Trivia lagging, yeah. It's a third. It's the prices are different. You go on a different like, let's say you go on for instance, Pepperstone. I mean, it's at 37, right? Price is always different. You go on forex.com. Prices are different. You go on, what else is there? Go on Black Bolt, right? Prices are different. Vantage FX, it's all kind of different prices. I just go off of a Wanda, and I've always been going off of a Wanda. Yeah, bro. Easy chain. Surfing. Damn. Don't run into a shark, man. Stay safe out there. TradingView Lex is a third-party software. But it's not like we're answering on TradingView. We're just marking up on TradingView, right? That's all we're doing. That's true, Ted. Definitely true. We just want you to kind of hold their hand, you know? They want to give you their MT5 login. Not enough. Even like, I mean, I don't think there's ever enough. Like, you give a breakdown, it's not enough. You take a trade live on a stream with TP stop loss entry given to you, it's still not enough. There's always gonna be something.
Or you got labels on the chart saying what you're gonna do is not enough.
Yeah. We draw it out, not enough. Like, we drew this out, not enough. I think someone else mentioned it earlier too. It's because a lot of people like to just copy or follow, like copy what I do, and by copying what I do, it's to be a lot. They're not really learning anything, right? Other than people who actually want to learn and just absorb the info. It's a little different. People who just hear a copy, it's gonna be a bit obviously more confusing for them because they don't know what I'm doing. They copy chart in school to pass it now. They don't do the same thing in real life. Yeah. I always say it too, chat. Like, who cares what I do, man? Like, who cares if, like, whatever I catch, whatever I don't catch, the trades I take, the trades I win, the trades I lose, right? Who cares? Just make sure you you follow your analysis. Fuck my analysis. I'm just not a person. I'm just a 22-year-old waiting for a closure above the range, right? I'm just not a person. But Ted, now they're gonna say, but stops are so big. Like, yes, chat, like Ted, he's correct. Stop loss is 1855. You know why? You know why it's 1855? Where's the 1855 candle? It's the 4-hour kind of high. That's the most logical stop loss. Now, the RR monsters gonna come in and be like, yo, Don, like, yeah, the RR is not there. It's like, fuck, man. Like, like there's a huge difference between like a logical stop loss versus like impulsive non-logical stop loss. And yeah, that's the most logical stop loss. Is it big? Yes, but it comes down to you. Like, do you want to take it? And if you want to take it, take it. If you don't, then don't take it, or manage risk, or go small risk, whatever it is, right? That's what people don't understand. They see a big stop loss, like, it's too wide for me, man. Yeah, this day count flip. Day count flips, drives down. It taps like 25. That's your target, chat. It's 25. 25, 26 levels, around those levels today. I'm gonna be here today, chat, until like probably 10 a.m., 10:30, depending on how like the trade goes at 9:15, 9:30. But that is gonna be the next time we'll get a trade potentially.
It's good, JXTR.
Whoa, what up, man? I forgot to say hi.
Oh, London session gang.
Been a long time since
Yeah.
I opened my cam.
Yeah, you've been here though.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without some stuff too.
Wix is talking, but I can't see him. Where you at, man?
I'm in front of the screen, bro. I'm wearing my invisibility clothes. You guys don't got this shit yet. You guys don't have this.
He's the PC itself. Here's the PC.
I'm telling you, it's my new invisibility hoodie.
What is RR? It sounds like RR. Yo, FX Mo, you got me trolling.
Yeah.
It's a Honda motorcycle.
Yeah, RR. That's funny. Roy's wrist. He's not trolling. He's trolling. He's been trolling all day. FX Small. I see his comments. Alright, did you take minimum 1-to-1? Honestly, right now I have a decision to make. I can either make this combo a drag, like every day, or I can just move on to the next topic. I'm moving to the next topic. Yeah, 4-hour count closer, guys. So wait for a steeper top wick here, as usual, like we always do for every single trade, right? So this count just opened up. It's most likely gonna create a top wick, and as it creates that top wick, right, the most logical level is right here. So that's the most recent that's the recent wick. So as long as price respects that high, this next 4 candle should drive down. So you can retrace literally to like 42, 46, even like 52, even like 53 here, and not break the high. As long as it creates a top wick and flips bearish, you're expecting this next 4 candle to drive down, coming down towards 1832 next target, and then next target after that will be 1826. It was, I think it was. That's the next day target. So that is your next 4 candle on gold here. Just wait for a top wick, and then you can get some nice positions. All right. Most likely it will be 9:15, 9:30 potentially around those levels, and then we'll get a nice position afterwards. All right.
Position.
Yeah. This is perfect. This is really good. Very, very good. What's this right here? Interesting.
Yo, Dex, the sell was canceled not because of the small top wick. It was just really no bottom wick on the previous one, but
no
yeah,
bottom wick, and also news.
Yeah, and I think it made a bottom wick on the next one first before coming up make a top wick, like a decent sized top wick. just leaves it alone.
How do I get better in the day time frame? It's all the same concepts, like the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame, the 1 hour, the 4 hour daily. It's all the same candles. It's all the same. If look, for instance, look at this. Just close your eyes, and this is the 30-minute time frame, right? But just imagine this is a daily time frame. What would you expect this daily time frame candle to do? Probably drop down, right? It closed below its resistance here. This daily candle should create a top wick and fill this previous day candle, drop down to fill that wick coming down towards 1832. So you apply that same concept onto the higher time frame. Go back in the higher time frame, same thing. Price was never bullish today. At one point it was, but it's not officially bullish until you break the day kind of high. Same concept. It's why I always repeat the same words of as long as it respects the previous kind of highs. You guys probably hear me say that a lot, and it's because as long as price respects this kind of high today, it was valid to drive down towards 1824. For instance, like that 4 candle that Ted talked about, right? That 4 candle, he said the stop loss was 1855. Why? Because that's the most logical level. If price were to break that high, you'll probably see price drop up towards 1864. Now go back on a daily time frame, same concept. If price were to break above 1866, what will happen to the daily candle? It's probably gonna pop up towards 1884, right? So that's why that would be the most logical stops. And again, look at the day count today. It has clean traffic driving price down towards 1825 here, right? So all of it is the same. It's the same concept, man. Nothing's different here. Nothing's different at all. Let's see. Top wicks. What? Looking left. It could be created here. It could be created at 1843. I'm looking more so at like 83, 84, something like that were to happen. We flip bearish on the breakout lows to make it a 4 hour entry. And chat, some of you guys are probably worried about this range here looking left to the support, but I'm not too worried about that just because of the higher time frame. And also on top of that, it's a range in general. This is just a range, right? So as you're breaking back into the range, there's a very high chance that price will likely fill the range once it does break the low and once it does flip. So it should fill the rest of the range coming down towards like 32 here. Let's see, how big is that stop? 50 pips. Damn, that stop is already 50 pips. If you can get a wick special, that'd be great. And then 930.
Yeah. We need to respect 839, 840 for the wick special.
For a smaller stop. Because if we can do something like this, 830, close like below but doji, whatever, next candle breaks the lows, that's your sell stop. And then you take sales coming down to it like this. That's 930. That'd be great.
And you could use current candle stops in that case.
Yeah, instead of the previous candle stops, right? So instead of a 50 pip stop, you can use a smaller stop.
Yep.
37.300. Yep, the top wick chat. It could be created anywhere. It can literally go up to any price point here as long as it respects the 1855 mark. I just don't want it to flip here. Because if it flips it in, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yo, Broly, are you in chat?
Well, Biggs and Nav have been going about eating for days right now.
I'm so hungry, bro. I'm so hungry right now, for real.
Talk about food all day.
I didn't have no breakfast or nothing yet. I normally eat something before I.
What time is it right now?
9 in the morning.
9 a.m.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. And some oatmeal.
Can I get cheese on a croissant?
Croissant. Oh wow, look at the 5-minute candle. No bottom wick.
Yeah, yo.
It flips. Man, how big are these stops in the break of the lows here? 70
60.
pips.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
What time is the 15 close in 9 minutes here? If the 15 can close and just pull back a bit more, we might use a 15-minute stop, so it's not bad. It's just a smaller stop, right? Because sell stops at 1837 aren't bad at all now. Now that we create a top wick, it just comes down to the stops and what you're comfortable with, right?
I get an onion.
Yeah. And this should be your overall next 30 candle. Ideally, this is a top wick. It should be something like this. Should play out and then drive down towards the target. I think target for me, again, it's gonna be 26 probably. A day target, right? Around like 25, 26. That's the next day target. That's where you're kind of expecting. Where did you close again? You closed at 39. Yeah.
Another 5 with the bottom. Flippity.
Flippy flip.
Oh.
You took any positions last night, Wixner, or no?
No.
Yeah. Chill day for me too.
I got home late. Like, really late.
Chat, who jumped the gun early? I think you'll be in a tough, sticky situation right now, no?
Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it.
You might even get the onion too. You might even get a better position to even if you get a close like this at like 8:15, 8:30, and the next 15 count does something like this, very close to bearish resistance. You might see that count just drive down, and you might have the entry up there instead of the entry down there on the break of lows.
Would not be bad either. Onion, smaller time frame, we can get 5-minute fake out. That'll be cool.
Yep.
15-minute onion or 15 fake out, 30-minute onion. We fire and it would be at 9:30. So then you would have the confidence that there's volume coming in and it should drive our valid, completely sensible position. Sensible position. Everything would fall in line. Everything would make sense at that point. Even the drive.
Oof.
Shots fired.
What did Gigi do?
Shots fired.
Gigi's nice for buys too. You got closure above. Oh, sorry, no. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's range 2, right? Is there a range 2 on GJ? Wix?
Range 2, 169.
I haven't even opened GJ all day. It's in a range for me. It's range 1 for
What's
me.
yours, Michaels?
160, 900.
Yeah, I got 940. Same levels.
Yeah, he's moving.
907-ish. I was gonna have what I had originally. Not bad.
That's range 2 for you?
Yeah, it's range 2 for me.
Hmm.
And then TP target is like 161, 368.
It's range 1, but if it forms a bearish candle somewhere here and then we break it, that'll be range 2 for me. And then we drive bullish after that bearish candle. I want some resistance established above there on GJ. Yeah, if we close above 160, 800, whatever it is, we need to form resistance there and then drive past it.
Guys, don't think gold trend is changing or anything. Like, just people see this bullish candle here, yeah, like they're freaking out, saying like, oh, like, are we bullish now? Like, is price reversing? It's not. It's just it could be. Who knows? It could be. If it breaks 5.5, then yeah, you can say it may just pop up towards like 5.65 and so forth. But until it breaks the high, this candle ideally should flip bearish here. You should expect the price to just reflip bearish and drop down. How much is wick fill on a breakout lows? That's gonna be 28 pips plus runners 53 and then TP 111, 110. Not bad. You think of the trades? All right, good convo.
Oh shit! Wait, did you say bigs? My bad.
I said two.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't take any trades. Sorry, I'm literally on Qcoin looking at Luna right now, and it's just dropping so fast. But no, I haven't taken any trades this morning. I thought about it. I think it was at around 8. Or no, yeah, it was like right before news. I thought about it, but
Oh
I
yeah, the
didn't.
1 hour candle. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought about doing that, but I didn't. It just happened too fast, and I was like, ah, dude, everything's going crazy.
The world's gone crazy.
Someone
Uh-oh.
someone asked what colors I have for train view. Here, just screenshot this real quick. These are my colors. This is that, or yeah. Where's my colors? Symbol. This is normal colors, and then I think the background chart and all that stuff is it's over here. So grid lines are 0 opacity, horizontal lines 0. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are, but this is my stuff. These two colors are just, I'm not sure what this is. I think this is the normal train view colors. It's that little bluish little tint thing.
No, I didn't have any Luna, and then I haven't held any crypto since like Sheeb went crazy.
since we're looking or waiting, could you look at setups? Yeah. What, everyone's sending solid charts? Let's get a good breakdown here, Jimmy. Notice a 30-minute candle. This is gold, right? Notice 30-minute candle, close bullish support. Enter buys once the candle made a bottom wick. Use the previous candle stops. 3, close half my first position. Moves last entry. Add a second position here when the 1 hour closed strongly bullish. We're in a bearish move from the Asian session. Let the runner and second position hit this target based on the forward resistance and lower time frames, including bearish. Nice. They cut the buys last night. They're tracing it. Nice. Speaking about that chat yesterday, I think yesterday we hopped off the stream and gold ended up playing out in our favor. I think what it was yesterday was we did a little analysis here, and we mentioned how the sells were gonna eventually play out. I think I drew it out too because of the weekly time frame, right? I drew it down. Oh, that's gold. This is GJ. Where's gold? Yeah, I think I discussed how the weekly was gonna drive down towards like 8.35 mark, and then the daily candle could continue to drive down towards I think it was somewhere in the stream. I forgot where it was in the stream exactly, but I know it's somewhere within the stream. But we did break down the weeklies in the beginning of the stream, I think. The daily was broken down during the stream somewhere. Yeah, yes, it's a pre-move continuation, right? That's probably why you've seen like Asian London just range here, and London just kind of retrace for the NY to continue down. Yeah, GJ, I was waiting for a closure above 16900 here, chat. More for GJ, but I think I'm pretty locked in the gold right now. Not as locked in the GJ.
Gold overall is telling a much nicer story.
Yeah.
And much more believable, I think. Much more believable story.
Yeah. Where Cowboys at? Huh.
Boss.
Tag is still flipper, guys. It's only if you were like you entered off the 9 a.m. counter, which I don't think anyone did or anyone should have done, right? Just again, we have to wait for the top wick, and this is a top wick that we're discussing. Look left there, right? This also makes sense too. Or we pull back to like 47, like we're tapping the most recent resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if you had an extra push up towards 50, 1850 even, because that's the most recent forward resistance here. So we can come all the way up to there, and look on a small time frame what's gonna happen here. And this is where you gotta pay attention, because the 4 count could retrace up to 50 and tap off those levels, and you can get a 15-minute, 30-minute fake out. So what that means is, okay, well, this is a new 4 candle, right? This is the first hour of the 4 candle. You're gonna retrace back up, and as you retrace back up, if you get a fake out back into the range on a 30, let's say that the 10 a.m. candle closes like bullish, something like this, right? Does something like this. If you were to get, or 9:30, if you were to get the 9:30 to 10 a.m. candle that closes bearish back into the range here, you can take sells at below 1846, because that bearish candle indicates that we're breaking back into the range now. And that's a range 1 breakout with the data bias being bearish, right? And you can take sells there instead, coming down towards 1832, anticipating that we're going to flip bearish on the 4 candle with that confirmation. And you get entries here at 1846 instead of entries down here. And then obviously once price comes down here, you'll be risk free, you'll be closing partials, and you're letting the rest run with a higher chance to survive runners coming down towards 1825. It's fun because I just said 1850, we came up tap 1850. So that That was that push. I really want to see this 30-minute candle close bullish above because we'll get an extra entry. That'd be great. Or maybe even a 15-minute entry. Let's see. Let's see. Because it comes down to how we close here. Pretty decent.
This would be great for a fake out here. It's incredible. Because
Yeah.
our chances to run would be much better on the runners.
Yeah, and bigger ranges too.
Big ranges. Now we would have a smaller stop if we faked out. We would have the advantage of the actual closure back in range, the fake out happening. We waited it out, and then with the better entry and the volume time. So it's just things make sense, right? It's not like rocket science. It's just, I don't know if it's common sense, but it's, you know, stuff you've learned, stuff we've seen over and over and over. And if we see it over and over and over and it's happening again, wouldn't the results be the same? Right? A square plus B square is always C square.
Pretty good chart.
This is a question, Don, if you know, is there a way to print the chat,
Print the chat.
like screen capture, not screen capture, but
Screen
sort of, copying everything and like saving it? Like, do you have that data? or
Like
is it
have
still-
a file for everyone in the chat. I don't
Yeah.
think so. I think Nightbot might take care of that stuff, but yeah, I think you can go back on the live stream, like you can go back on the YouTube link,
Yeah,
and
that's true. That's what I was
it shows
thinking.
the chat. Yeah, but it's kind of chalked.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
chat. Is he asking if you have a shit list of people? Who's on the shit list?
This is good. Look at this 15. If he holds no top wick, perfect. They're breaking the 15 low sell stops potentially. This is good, chat. This is good. We're gonna close above here. This is really good for 10 a.m. It's looking more so for 10 a.m. now. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Good thing the stream crashed and you promised an extra half hour.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna be here till 10:30, 11 at this rate.
At this rate, he's gonna be here until it moves, and if it moves during Asian, we'll be here. Oh man. How'd you guys do on the Wordle yesterday? I think I missed the Wordle yesterday.
That's
The last
sus.
2
Yeah,
days
bro,
of it.
I was at home.
We-
I was at home.
we almost-
watching it afterwards. I didn't do it. Marcos, I was screaming Jello at the top of my lungs, but it wasn't.
That was fucking
Jello.
Gecko.
Gecko, the insurance company.
Oh, that's right. Geico.
Geico, yeah.
Yeah, I
Gecko.
remember
Is it
that.
Gecko or Geico? I think it was Gecko.
Gecko.
Yeah.
Gecko.
Geico's the insurance company.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Stupid Wordle. At least if we lose today, everyone could save 50% on their car insurance by switching to Geico.
– 15-minute entries. Break up 15 lows. Yeah, 5-minute top wick. Oh wow. If you can get like a bearish kind of closure on a 15, or even like a question is how big are stops here? Damn, that's a 70 pip 15-minute candle. Current count stops, even maybe current count stops for 50. This is good. This is good. This is really good. This is perfect. Very good. Yeah, chat. 3 minutes left. All right. So just we may get positioned in 3 minutes. Prepare. Lock it in.
Yeah, but they charge real quick, right, Marco? Like 10 minutes, you get like 2 hours of use. Five minutes, yeah. 5 minutes, fucking full 90% charge.
For what?
For the headphones,
Oh yeah.
they charge quick. Said it yesterday.
But you can still hear us now?
I just don't want it to echo.
No, it doesn't echo.
Okay.
Your mic doesn't pick that up. Your mic's pretty. I think your things sound pretty low.
Really?
I think. Yeah, because I
Dude,
think
you could
you set your compressor or whatever. I think it's called to pretty low.
Yeah. Okay,
you
good.
could sing Maybach music right now all day with no echo. You're good.
Mm.
Yeah.
You're good.
Just got that.
Eat.
What did GJ do? GJ and gold are both decent, but I'd rather take gold. Minute and a half for guys. If we can just close, if we can close below the 46, that'll be perfect. We'll have a sell stop on the break of 44, right?
Otherwise, it might happen at 10. The closure.
What's this right here? Is it a resistance here on 30? No. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, if it doesn't happen at if you don't get positions at 9:30, then we're gonna have to wait till 10 a.m., which is fine, because yeah.
It'll technically be the same position. There's just a later closure, half hour later, but
Yeah.
we are looking for one specific candle.
All right, yeah. Probably gonna close above here, so probably 10 a.m. As we're closing above here, you want to see that 10:30 candle, or I'm sorry, 10 a.m. candle close like this, right? So as it closes like this, chat, right? If this is your current 30 candle, and the next 30 closes like this at 10 a.m., a 1 hour candle will be closing bearish below as well, respecting our resistance. It will close bullish though, right? But it'll be closing bullish, respecting our resistance, and that resistance will be 1846. And then we'll have entries on the break of 30-minute low. So we'll be entering off of the 30-minute candle using confirmation from the 1 hour candle, with the 4 hour candle flipping bearish as well. So all those things kind of lined up.
I feel it coming.
Worst thing that can happen here, the worst thing that can happen here is it drives now. But even if it drives now, you still have sells below 40. Like if it drives all the way down towards like 1838 here, you still have sells below 1838, 1837 later on. So I wouldn't be too stressed. DJ pushing, yeah. Facts, K. Me too. I don't want to. I don't know. People can't take things for granted sometimes, though. You know, like they see a free stream and think they can just go crazy and ask, like they can ask anything. I'm here to help out, but if you start asking the same question day in day out, that should be pretty easy to find. Like, do you really want to be an FX trader, or do you just want to make money? What do you want to be? Because making money, focusing on just making money in FX won't work out, man. It's more than money in FX. You'd be frustrated if you just want to make money in FX. Well, if it goes up, then it goes up. There's no bias for me until you break above like 1864, 1855. Then we won't get positions for a day. But being out and not taking any positions is much better than taking a position and just being in drawdown for our last half hour, right? Or being in nothing at all. I will say though, guys, if you do break 1844 before the 10 a.m. candle, we may not be able to catch this range here. Because if it breaks that low, look left, you have this clean traffic to drive down here, and the price will just mirror that candle coming down. And as it comes down, it will probably drive down towards the next target, which is at 1840. And as it drives down towards 1840, the 4-hour candle will flip bearish. And as the 4-hour candle flips bearish, the day candle will flip bearish. And as the day candle flips bearish, it will drive down towards next support at 1825. So, see where I'm coming from? A lot of info to soak in, but Don, why don't you just have a sell stop? GJ, yeah, GJ should drive up here. Should drive up towards 26 as long as it respects 164.93. That's the most logical level. That's the current 1 hour low, current 4 hour low. So as long as it respects that, it should continue to fill the range, yeah. Just looking for entries now would be a little tough. You need to wait for a steep bottom wick here and then to flip the candle or to break the highs, right? So it's probably a no-no for me. I'm gonna stay out of GJ and wait for gold.
See you guys in a bit. Be right back.
Pardon?
I'm gonna hop off. Be right back in a bit.
Yeah, yeah. Fake out. Yo, Biggest, how's that Chrome logo? I think you sent it, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think I worked on it much after from what I sent in the creative chat, but I was getting closer and closer to the look.
Yeah, I honestly think the if you take the rib, I think it looks better with the ribs at the back. The what do you call it? The worldwide.
Like
yeah,
like the worldwide. You think it looks better with or without?
Without. I think it'll look simple, just a circle and the DVS, or just a the circle and the DVS.
Yeah, it was kind of reminding me without it. It was reminding me a little bit of like the Mercedes-Benz logo.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I was hyped that I was able to just like get that chrome look.
Is it hard?
A little bit, but once I figured it out, cause I didn't think it was done in Photoshop, but then I figured it out. And like it's just like the curves adjustment. I don't know if like it's like kind of just like a image edit, and then some layer styles.
Yeah, I think like I said, I think the left one that you sent is better because it kind of just like the edges kind of pop out on the circle.
Yeah, on the left.
And like once you remove the glow of the back, like it'll look much better on the T.
Yeah, see, and I kept the layers separate so I can just like hide the layer.
Yeah.
I can open up Photoshop and do that.
It's clean so far though.
Yeah, bro. I think that was a good idea.
Yeah, I think it'll be our best shirt.
Yeah, I agree. On a black tee. Ooh.
You can go chat. Just calm down, man. You guys are just having beef in the chat. Like, there's no beef. Like,
Chat's been on one this whole week.
What are you guys beefing about?
I love everybody.
Learn from everyone. Learn from Ted, Raja, Q, fucking Average, everyone. Everyone in the industry. I learned something from them.
Fuck.
Learn something from someone. The way you do, what you do, chat, is try to take a piece of something from anyone. I think Marcos taught me something pretty nice last week. I forgot exactly what he said, but he said like how Marcos, are you here? Shit. He said something. He said
Try to give the guy a compliment and he disappears.
he said you can always, what do you say? Here's my DM with Marcos. He said, something I learned in life is even if there's one golden nugget, it's worth a star. Like you can always learn something from anything. Something small. Like, you don't gotta learn the whole concept, but you get a piece from that, get a piece from that, get a piece from that. You combine it, make it your own, right? That's what I kind of did when I started off trading. I started off with beat the market maker, some bank, you know, whatever course, Steve Morrow, right? And then I moved on to Q banks, and then I learned price action, right? I started off price action through Q banks, and then like I didn't really like add like any of the indicator stuff there. And then, you know, over time, talked to Ted, learned about candles, got introduced to candles, and boom.
Appropriation is good, right? Overall, like taking, you know, the best of others and just utilizing it for yourself, just taking bits and pieces from others that can make you the most optimal you, the best you that you can be.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why people like move to big cities, because there's a lot of, you know, appropriation there. You have a lot of different cultures. You have the best of one restaurant, you know, the best one of you know, of this culture. You have the best clothing of this culture and that culture. So
There shouldn't be it shouldn't be divided. It should be like this or that. Okay, why can't I just be like this is what it is?
appropriation is great. You guys should all take like the best, you know, learn bits and pieces off people, the best influences in your life. You take that and you make it your own.
Yeah. There's no best strategy. The best strategy is yourself. Whatever works for you. I'm pretty sure like the best thing that works for Ted may not work for me. It's the same with anyone else. Like best thing that works for me may not be the best thing for Wix. Like we all have different views on things, right? But at the end of the day, we come to the same conclusion. Like Marco said the other day, even it's you can get the same answer with different perspectives. It's okay. It's not like school where like you need to get the same answer with the same math equation, right? You can use a different equation and get the same answer. There's nothing wrong with that. Yo, TYG.
Spot it.
Yeah, exactly. Never worried about anyone. Always looked at what others were doing to figure out a way to make it make sense in my own world. Some stuff was good, other stuff was bad. Yeah. I think the only issue is just people try to find the best stuff. That's people are just always chasing the best stuff, the good shit. There's no such thing as best stuff.
Yeah, people don't want to put in time, yeah. Shortcuts, baby.
Someone gonna have something completely mid and make it look like the best stuff, and people will fall for that because it looks like the best stuff. Is it really the best stuff though? The best stuff is what works for you, right? Like someone can literally market the fuck out of their strategy and make it look like it's the best strategy out there. Is it really? Jack Harlow. Goes flying up. Well, we broke the highs. Did you? Did you break the 4 highs? Yeah, 4 highs been broken. So this thing never flipped, and therefore,
Scratch that idea.
you can scratch that idea. Yeah, you can scratch that idea because now we're gonna probably pop back up. We never flipped, right? It was only if we were to flip. So that's why we waited patiently, chat. That's a great example of why we're patient, right? Don't just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself at the end of the day. Listen to your analysis. Wait, did you watch the game last night? Yeah, ask you.
Yeah. Yeah, I
It
saw
was
the game. I was
so
driving,
loud. It was like, it was so loud. Bro, there's a couple sitting next to me and they're just drinking. They were like on their 5th can of beer by the 2nd period. Crowd's wild. Like I go to a Raptors game or like a Raptors game for a Leafs game. It's like 2 different crowds, man. It's insane. Control FX, why didn't you take the trade when the candle wicked down and flipped on 30? Because I was initially bearish. Like I wanted sells below 1846 and there's no buys for me until you break above 1855. Like I have these things marked up here for a reason, right? I don't just have it there for no reason. It's like if I was looking for buys, it'll be above here. I'm not interested in anything above here or above here. So that'll be a range too. The break of 5.5, the break of 5.5 is the forward break of the highs. It's the day candle reflip and bullish, re-breaking the current kind of highs, and that'll be the range 2 breakout. Yeah, no big deal. No biggie. Like it took Kate to just plan shit out. Yeah, I plan shit out all the time. Like today, chat. Like how many things have I planned out today? I planned out today like probably like 4 or 5 setups that just never happen. And if it doesn't happen, you just kind of exit out and on to the next one, right? But yesterday, for instance, like we planned out how many setups yesterday? Like 4, 5, 6 setups. We caught a trade yesterday. The worst thing that can happen in a day is you don't take any trades. Nothing wrong with that. New t-shirt, Marcos?
Old. Made a smoothie.
Did you hear me? I was referring to your quote the other day.
Which one? I got a lot of them.
Nah, the one where you're like, your one thing you learn in life is there's always one star from something like that. Like, something about you can always learn one thing from someone.
Oh, yeah.
One gold nugget is worth the star.
It's true.
Yeah. The one thing I learned is your soundboard is trash. All right, whatever, man.
We have one soundboard hater. That's like the most random thing to be a hater for. It's a soundboard hater.
One soundboard hater.
Hey, bro.
We do not care.
Like, I don't know if you just make up the crazy shit at this point. Yeah, exactly. Pimp and Pips, you're right though. You're right. It's a lot of people are on fun and challenges. Now, I don't want to get into this fun and challenge talk. Like, again, I'm okay with fun and challenges, but that's one of the concerns that I have for fun and accounts is that you're just pressured to you're pressured to take a position to complete your challenge, right? And it sometimes it adds pressure. Like if you didn't take a trade today, person A who non-funded could just be fine. They can live in life completely fine. Person B who's unfunded might be tripping out. Like, yo, I got 4 days left. I gotta complete this challenge. Like I missed the move. I got revenge, whatever, right? So it just blindly adds disadvantage kinda in a way. I don't know, 30 days, man.
Even ETH retraced all the way from 21 to 23.
My 1900 today actually. Hey, ETH went back up.
Yep, back to 23. Everyone panics hold.
Top wick.
Oh yeah. Low key.
How many trades did we take this week, chat? I feel like we take a trade every day this week. Monday, Tuesday, right? If I'm not wrong. Monday. We took 2 trades on Monday. Yeah, we're good, chat. It's the 3rd day of the week. We took 3 trades this week. Like, that's not bad at all. Last week we took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades last week. This week we already took 3 trades and we're 3 days in. So it's fine if you go table a trade. Like, we may get a trade though. I'm still here, but if you don't, it's fine. I'm not gonna be like putting pressure on myself to take a trade, right? Just to take a trade. Views on fixed lot size or risk percentage as per stop loss. I use fixed lot size, but I also average out to be percentage lot size. I don't just go fixed lot size blindly because sometimes stops are massive, right? And that's why we cut our lot size in half. I'm about to make a long ass PDF called The Unholy Grail of Holy Grail. And have everything that I do on it. Just so people will have answers on everything I do. I mean, that's what the website's coming for, the website's coming for at the end of the year. I'm working on it slowly. That devious site, our whatever site is gonna come out, it's gonna be one basically a pip site, and it'll just be exactly everything that we do. How do you manage risk of stocks for your 2020? Yeah, so basically, since recently the gold volatility has been pretty high, usually if gold were to surpass like a 30 pip stop loss, I'll cut my lot size in half. I'll go from like a 8 lot, I'll go down to a 4 lot. Because stops are just double the size now, right? And then GJ, I'll do the same, and then that'll equal up to 1 or 2% risk per trade. That's usually what I'll do. Why did I do it that way? I don't know. I just I've always done it that way, so I have no answer for that. I just like the way numbers are looking. It's easier for me to close half when I see that fixed number. Sidro should be in the next 2 weeks, I believe. Sorry for the delay. I wanted to do it at the end of April, but I couldn't get some videos in time. I did say it's 1 update a year, right? So does it have to be a specific date? I mean, last year's update was around April. I usually update around April though. But I am lacking, yeah. And once 10% profit close 50? Not all the time, no. Sometimes we close half at 50, sometimes we close half at 40, sometimes we close half at 20 to secure profits. A lot of people have issues with us closing half at whatever pips, and it's like we've been doing it for 2 years. We're not gonna stop because someone said it doesn't work. It's been working for us for the past like 2-3 years, right? So why stop now? Just all of a sudden, it's our plan, right? If your plan is to let it run, TP or stop loss, and just said fuck it, then do it. Say fuck it, right? But that's your trader style. This is our trader style. This is what we do. I kind of found over the years like the perfect medium to just secure profits while leaving runners run, and that's what worked for me. If it doesn't work for you, then then don't trade like that. Like I hate break even all the time. Break even's okay. It happens all the time.
There's a lot of trading strategies out there. You got to know what works with your lifestyle and what your trading skills are, right? If you want to swing trade and go for those 100 pips, 50 pips, whatever it is, and have those big stop losses, that's fine. But it's a different approach to trading, right? It's nothing wrong with what you're doing, what Don's doing.
Yeah, nothing at all. You win, I win, doesn't matter. The issue comes when you try to compare to, like, you do this way, I do this way. How come you do that way? Like, you should do it my way. That's all ego and stuff, right? That's when it becomes an issue for people. But as long as you don't have that ego, it's fine. Just who cares what the other person does? Why is chat moving so fast?
Yeah, that was funny.
What do you have here? If you have a 10 a.m. closure in 6 minutes, we still have 400 people here watching. Pretty surprised. Yeah, 30% GU, good stuff, man. What's your plan to enter? I gave you the plan already. I don't know. It comes down to how we close in this range here. We can still get a fake out even though we broke the 4-hour high, because the day count hasn't broken the highs yet. Until the day count breaks like above 6.6, technically you can get a fake out anywhere in any range. Ideally though, I really want sells below 4.6 though. It may not happen. By the looks of it, probably shows that it may not happen. But vibes for me would be above probably 5.9 here, or maybe 5.5. I'm looking at 5.9 because that's the cleanest traffic. Above 5.9, you're gonna have clean traffic to like 5.64. But if you get a fake out, that'll be great. If you get a fake out and we close back below 46, I'll be in for sells. I'm gonna be here till like 10:30, 11 maybe. So whatever happens, happens. Where'd GXTR go?
I'm here.
How's London for you? Was it good?
The trades, man. None was so chalked. There were moves, but they were not my trades.
Let's see. How's it been a month though?
On the month?
What's the stream
I think this
record?
is my, the stream record is just one.
Oh.
one trade and it's a loss. Damn.
Yeah, London is has been a consistent this month, I think.
Yeah, last month was fine, but I think the best was March. March was amazing. March and April, I guess we had like 100% win rate, but my trade count is so small. Most of my trades are taken on New York session.
It's not bad, chat. I buy this so when my stream shuts down, like I'll still have power for at least another 5-10 minutes. For my PC, right? Not a bad idea. It's like not a bad idea at all. So my stuff won't shut down midway or anything.
People back home have that a lot because the power's always cutting off every night.
Yeah.
Yeah, people in like India and Bangladesh, because they got to reserve their electricity. The grid can't handle it, so they cut it off every night.
Oh yeah, yeah. In an essay too, they cut off for like a couple hours, like an hour or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's how everyone has one of those in their houses.
Like my power does like they're shut off like maybe like once every 6 months for like a quick second, but Toronto's nothing crazy unless it's like a storm or something. Someone just suggested it because my thing shut off this morning. I don't know why I did. A little annoying.
Oh man, this 15 closes like this. This 30 closes like this.
How's it look?
Respect.
How's the 1 hour look? We're expecting resistance on the 1 hour. 30 would be.
15's back in range. Tough that we broke the highs everywhere.
Daily didn't break the highs though, so you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If there was no top wick in a 4 hour candle, you can say, oh, that was a 4 hour top wick. But below 46 for me, I think, Wicks. What do you think? I got below 46 for sells. 46 coming down towards 40 and so forth.
Yeah, that makes sense. You could get a celery play on the next 30. Below 46.
Something like this.
Yeah.
Or something like this.
That's 15.
And 30 comes in like this. So 10:30 here we're looking at.
Yeah, but regardless of what happens, we have to close below and we have to respect this.
Yeah, chat. Below 4-6 here. Just wait at this point, man. If it doesn't happen, doesn't happen. The worst thing that can happen today is you waste your time. Well, you're not waste your time. You probably learned something today.
There's always value. There's a bunch of questions to always answer.
Yeah.
Well, that sucked.
Yeah. When I close above the range too, above 5-2. Does not help.
Watch this next 1 hour break.
We can do a quick
bearish 1 hour closure.
Yeah.
11 a.m. Fuck, take it.
I'd take my ass to the gym.
Off stream.
I'm here for 9:30. If the 30-minute candle doesn't close like below 46, I'm just gonna call it a day. Like the whole entire day. Call it a day until Asian session at least.
Done for the day.
Done for the day. Just got 130 pips done for the day. Jeez, man. My bad. My fault, man. Sorry. A lot of essay again in chat. Yeah, a lot of from essay in the chat. Leave your country down below. SA, US, Canada. Where you from? A lot of people from the UK. A lot from SA. A lot from US for me. That's where I saw on YouTube last time I checked. Got small. I think next was India and then Canada. Canada's the least. Like 6% of my viewers from Canada. And I'm from Toronto. Mexico. Yeah, UK, India, SA. NA. A lot NA, North America. Not a lot from Asia though.
Pretty neat seeing the reach Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Jamaica.
Vietnam, where you see that? Oh shit, sounds like Vietnam. Well, your name says it all. Vietnam. I'm in my mom's car. I'm in my mom's car.
Yo.
How's it go? I'm in my mom's car. What's the next line? Vroom vroom. No. How's that video go?
What?
You don't know that video? You don't know that Vine?
I don't think I know that one.
What?
Is that the person in the red shirt?
Oh, yo, no, I know that. If it's that kid, I know that one. Yeah.
I'm in my mum's car.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Broom, broom. Get out my car. Aw. I'm in my mum's
I
car.
don't know why I went viral. Get out my car. Is that the real one? Is that the OG one? That was an OG one. wasn't it? That's so old. I'm in my mom's car. Get out my
All
car.
right.
Get out my car. Vines, yeah. What did Vine do wrong that TikTok didn't do? I feel like they're on the same path. They didn't
Mine
evolve.
was better though.
Good times, man. 2014, 2016. Good times, man. Good times. Back when I was 14 years old. Wasn't in elementary school. Didn't have to worry about anything. But I just more nostalgic. I think TikTok, honestly, obviously TikTok did better, but like nostalgic wise, like Vine definitely better. Like Vine had better content, but TikTok, like in terms of the business side, like they did a lot better, obviously. But they just did what Vine didn't do, right? Or Vine couldn't do after. Are you waiting for a buy stop? No, I got nothing here on my screen. Might be a no trade day. But let's see. Yeah, 25 minutes left. Tomorrow could be a better day. Or tomorrow could be a trade day. Who knows? This month so far, we did pretty good. We had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. We took 7 trades. We took 6 wins and 1 loss this month. So we're on pace for like 20 trades this month, which is pretty average. Might even be more. I wouldn't trip over you guys' chats today. They have no trades, right? You guys could have easily taken a loss. Easily. But you guys didn't.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna
Ain't
happen.
gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen.
Bro, I remember when that video came out. That shit was so funny. Oh my god.
Why you coming fast meme? Nah.
Yeah, I think I'm about to hop off and get ready for the gym.
Alright, my man. Alright, man.
All right. Hey, I'll talk to y'all later. FD,
Later,
Jets,
Biggs.
DR, Wiggs, Marcos. I'll talk to you guys later.
Alright, bro.
Chat.
Stay safe.
Peace and love, chat. You already know.
You already know.
Peace out, fam.
Peace out, Wigs. I'm in my mom's car. And then there were 4.
Where is Marco's been quiet today.
You got clap, what?
No, I was just wondering if Marcos still here is
Oh.
under the
I
radar.
thought I said Marcos got clapped. I'm like, what happened?
There's only so much air in the room, man.
True.
Can't breathe.
Might get a fake out still, man. If you can break the 1 hour lows here, that'll be perfect. Break 30-minute lows. Sorry, not 1 hour lows. 30-minute lows, that'd be perfect. And closures below your. What was the reason for not having a buy up above? I had my range 2 marked up at 18.58. And also because the cleanest traffic in our would be above there as well. I'm just more comfortable taking buys above 18.58. I'm not really like too locked into buys until you break above 18.58. I'm pretty this area. I'm just not chill in this area here. It's not bad. It's like I got the position. It's like you close above the range and this thing flips, it should drive up, but I would prefer buys above 5.8. It'll be a lot cleaner. Towards 6.4.
Oh, daily never flipped. This could be massive.
Yep. Yep. 15. That's a nice 15-minute fake up. Bam. Damn.
The truck?
Yeah. This is good. You're breaking 3-minute lows here. Might get a closure.
Nice. Look at this.
Yep.
Wow.
Broke the lows. You can still push, flip here, chat.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
It's not true. When Don gets quiet and leaves, we talk a whole smack. Everyone just got their vibe. Everyone doing something.
What happened? Oh no,
Yeah,
I'm just
so-
I'm just looking at I'm trying to figure something out on my website.
And Don gets quiet, everybody gets quiet.
I need someone to talk. Who thinks I'm quiet? I'm in the trade or something. Chat, I'm not in a trade. I promise I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not in a trade, don't worry. New AP, flood. That sounds in my head. The TikTok sound. New AP, flood.
Been on staring at these screens for 4 hours, starving.
You ever seen this?
I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a
Yeah,
street nigga, get a
those are
dime.
so funny.
If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. New AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf. New AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a new AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime.
Most random shit
Kill a
ever.
rap nigga, get a dub. Big
What the
chain on my
fuck?
neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud.
What? Oh, that's still going.
What the
The music's not playing no more, bro.
Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. New
This is so funny.
This is the best one. No, that was the best one.
Oh, no, I was trying to check it out.
flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud.
Whip it. Bro.
Big chain on my neck, don't budge.
Man
Fucking
went.
days loaf like a stud. Flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug.
What the hell?
New AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub.
No.
I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. I kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. New AP, flood. Water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. New AP, flood.
Ah, I see this one.
Water
Last one,
on my
last one,
butt
last one,
like a
last one.
tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking new AP.
Yeah, I just lost brain cells.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that one got me. I did not expect that. Bruh.
I lost brain cells, man.
New AP.
Chad,
What?
who lost some IQ watching that video?
Yeah, I'm about to do a TikTok one of that. I mean, a FOREX one. That's funny.
That was funny.
All right, check in and buy here.
Yeah,
New AP. Flat. On my neck like I'm stuck. Saw that on those TikToks. So show new AP. Flat. I think it's called Kodak. Kodak Black. Separate gang. Kodak. I forgot what it's called. I closed my tab. I'm not sure, man. Sorry. Nine minutes for a closure. 9 minutes to figure out if we're done for a day or not. What do you think about the 30-minute candle? I think it's clean. I just need a 30-minute closure below here, man. I need a closure below below 46. And if you get a closure below 46, I'm in for sales, yeah. But I'll probably be at 10:30 here, so just wait the next 9 minutes here, and it'll be good if you get positions. If you don't, then on to the next day, on to the next session, right? Alrighty, alrighty. Imagine I had a bodybuilding channel. Yeah, I think I gotta start working out before I have that channel. Working out again. Usually finish about 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, around 10:30 to 11 a.m. Eastern is when I finish the stream. Yeah. Warren chat. God damn, it's afternoon at this point. What up, Joey? What's your dinner tonight? Dinner. I want a burger, man. I'm craving a nice smash burger. Did you like you fuck with Shake Shack or not?
I'm a Shake Shack fiend.
Yeah, I want a
got a
smash
problem
burger.
though. I got a problem with Shake Shack.
What?
I think the portions are a little too small.
Well, that's a you problem. Go get more.
No. Like if I get a burger, if I get the double cheeseburger and like a fry, I need like a shake or something to go with it, or it's not enough.
I feel that.
Their peanut butter shake is crazy.
I get chocolate. Chick-fil-A, I gotta get the sandwich with the fries, and I have to get a nugget, a 12-piece nugget, or else it won't fill me up. No fat jokes.
You'll get more.
It's big boy, man.
I've had Shake Shack once. Don't got it in Canada. When when I went to New York, I got it at one of the malls. Nugs in a sando. Shake Shack. They got waffle fries too? Oh no, they don't. Oh well, no, not really. Rib fries. Yeah, I'm craving a smash burger, chat. Like, I want a crispy smash burger though. I know you guys probably like, yo, like this is so bad for, I know, but like this is what I crave sometimes. You know.
Where do you go for that? You go Five Guys for that?
No, I go to Happy Burger
Mm.
in Toronto. Yeah, it's like, yo, Don, like, I can't. It's a burger. It's so unhealthy. Blah, 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 blah. Why my burger like that when I order it? Well, my friend, you got finesse. That's why. $25 for a meal. Well, they gotta make money somehow, right? New AP flood. Gold today said new AP flood. Gold today did not know where it wanted to go. It went back down, back up, back up, back down. Gold said you would never guess my next move. London? Dude, what's the most known food in London? Fish and chips? Right, Marcos? Or no?
What is it?
What's the most known food in London? Like when you went to London, like what was like the signature like shit?
Probably fish and chips or big English breakfast.
What the fuck is that,
or
man?
tea.
Like,
English breakfast is the shit with the fucking tomatoes, mushrooms.
so what's in London then? Like,
London's not a food place. I went to London and the best food I had was Indian food.
But you can get Indian food's good anywhere.
Yeah, but like London's like New York. It's like a melting pot of food, you know? I didn't go to like countryside England. So I didn't get to have like the folk, like I don't even know how to say it. The main shit. Yeah, English breakfast, crumpets, chips.
Crumpets?
Nah, the best thing I had in London was butter chicken masala.
Ooh, I want butter chicken. Butter chicken is very good.
So good. That's the first time I had it and the only time I've had it, and it was the best. Oh, I had Nando's. Yeah, I had Nando's like 3 times.
Sheesh.
Yeah, Don, there's a place on Bayview, Indian street food. Check it out. It's really good. The restaurant.
What's it called?
Indian street food.
Check it out.
Nice. Lamb was really good.
Yeah, have you seen the new Balenciagas, Don?
Oh, the ones that look like they're torn up and shit. Bruh. I can't believe people...
It has to be a social experiment.
I can't let people around buy that. It's nuts.
So funny. You know people are gonna.
Yeah, fucking...
London has the best Michelin guide restaurants. Hey, New York, man. Damn, this is chalked.
Yeah, 2 minutes to see if we're done or not.
Chalked.
Because someone answers, please. Is the level of mark still valid considering price has moved up and moved down while affected by it twice? Which level? Yeah, it's still valid here. Yeah, closure below 1846. I'm looking for sales coming down for the range, coming down towards next support. If it doesn't, then I'm calling it a day. Still valid. Yeah. I need price to close below there. A minute and a half left here, guys. Let's see. just want a YouTube film. Wordo.
Wordle? I'm Xing out chat now. No funny business.
Can it's still valid as the daily time frame is still bearish. Like we can still drive down. Daily time can still flip at any given point, right? So if the day count's starting to reject now again, right? High chance if you get closer below 1846, you're gonna drive down towards 1840. I'm gonna close chat here real quick before I see it. And then you guys are. All right, let's do a word, man. We're not gonna get a closure here, so let's wait 20 more seconds, because you never know, but most likely not. No trades for me today, chat. No for me.
What's this track that's playing right now, Doug?
La Bohome by CYGN. LABOHME. Not too sure. I'll send it in chat.
Oh, got it. Yeah, I see.
Some copyright free stuff.
Nice one here.
All right. So we didn't get a close below chat, so that's it for me. For gold, I don't want to wait here till 11. We can still get a fake out 11. I'll call it in a single channel if I do see something at 11. So there's that. Actually, you might get something at 11 actually, but I probably will be in a single channel to be honest with you. And then I'm gonna do the world now. All right. So let's see what I do. Trade.
Lock in. Ooh, not bad.
Oh,
not bad.
Easy.
Ooh, that
Damn.
was good.
That was easy.
No.
Nah. Let's go. So R is third, probably.
Yeah.
Go RCE. Could be RCE.
Yeah, that sounds good. RCE.
Arse.
Arse.
FARCE.
Yeah.
F.
F.
It's a word, right? Pretty sure.
Yes. A lie.
Okay.
Oh!
Yay!
Eesh. Boy, smoked it.
Yo.
Hey,
Who said it was a hard wordle? Who said it was a hard wordle? I'm opening chat. I know none of y'all said farce.
Nah.
Someone said fart. Fart.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen. Let's see. Someone said Marcos is obviously cheating. Hey, that's how you know.
You got haters now.
Yeah, I know, bro.
You got haters.
Now
it's not cheating. We can't see chat. We've been doing this every day for the past like 4 or 5 months on stream. We're not cheating. We do this every day.
Our godly said farce.
Do this.
Our godly, I don't trust you. Did we even have the word open when you said that?
He's not cheating. He's been doing with me for the past 4 or 5 months. Like he wouldn't.
Hey, I take that as a compliment. I take it as a compliment.
you might be new to the stream though.
The word of God. That's what you have to refer to me now, chat. Who said it was hard? It was Nav. Nav said it was hard.
I'm calling them out too.
We get the hard ones and we fumble the easy ones, like Homer. I'm never gonna forget Homer.
Yeah, Homer was kind of rough. That's my kryptonite. All right, ladies and gents, I'm gonna go here now. So have a good day, y'all. Enjoy your day. Catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. We'll be back tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure we'll get something tomorrow. If I do see the signal here, I'll call it in the signal channel. Until then, guys, peace out and have a good
See you
session.
tomorrow.
All right, guys, peace out. Love you guys.
See you all tomorrow. Have a good one.